What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. AuzSOME here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or not, depending on what, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are back at it tonight to talk about anything, really. I'm open to anything. We're going to talk about a lot here, but today is Friday. Things are actually starting to bounce back tonight on this Friday evening. Very excited to sort of see how it's playing back here. Obviously, we had a nice little buy today with XRP. That's playing out really, really nice right now. So we'll talk about all that. And before we jump into it, I want to say what's up to everyone here in the chat. We got Billion right in the house here. Paul, Joey. What's up, Joey? We got Colonel. Got Kevin. What's up, guys? Zach, Henry. Let's see. Moto. What's going on? Bren. Good to see everyone in the house here. We got Jam, T-Dog. We got Joey coming in hot with 10 gifted memberships to start off the A stream. Dude, thank you so much for the 10 gifted memberships. Appreciate the heck out of that, man. Thank you very, very much for that. Joey, as always, thank you so much. And those 10 new members, welcome to the A-Team. Officially now a part of the A-Team. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I just started watching Austin. Oh, Sheila, thank you so much. And welcome, Sheila. Welcome to the channel. We got Kevin B in the house here. XRP Pioneer. Seiko. We got Seiko Hunt in the house here. Good to see my boy Seiko. Joey gifted another 5 memberships. Joey, dude, thank you so much, man, for the 5 gifted memberships. The A-Team is the best team, and we continue to obviously build this more and more every night and every day. And I'm just very, very thankful for everyone that continues to be a part of this and donates to build the A-Team. So, Joey, I appreciate the hell out of that. Thank you so much, man. We got ASMR fan in the house here. What's up, ASMR fan? Good to see you. Vicenzo, what's going on, buddy? A-Team strong. Bahama, yeah, Frank 47, yeah, cheers to you too, man. Cheers to you too. Tommy Savage, Hopium Days, good to see you guys. Adam L, what's up, buddy? Yeah, good to see everyone in here. Austin, what's the goody hoodie? What's the goody hoodie? Yeah, I heard there was a debate on what I was going to wear, so I took off my hoodie. Yo, bro, welfare, what's up, man? Yo, did you watch the Crypto Lifer? Any other? No, I did not. Sorry, Jaco with the 780 gifted memberships. Dude, that was wild today. Absolutely wild, dude. Jaco is goated for that, by the way. That is insane. XRP Pioneer, thanks so much for the $10, dude. Holding strong. Holding for the ride to $5. Yeah, so let's actually jump into it today. I wanted to share this with you guys. So as you guys know, we bought a pretty good level here. I said I was going to buy at $3 for XRP on the swing trade. And, dude, this thing hit so perfect. It's been a while since I've hit this perfect. Like, don't get me wrong. I mean, I hit, but I mean, to hit like this dead on, look at that, guys. This thing went to like 3.007, I think is where it hit. We hit 3.009. It's exactly where I bought. And this thing has come up super nicely. I mean, I think I'm up like $250, maybe give or take. Just off this little swing trade right here. And this thing, I'm hoping that it's going to continue to build up. We're obviously hit this fair value gap on the 1 hour right here. So it's probably, having a hard time getting through this. But our next level, I hope that we get back up here to about the 309 level, which is a nice little level. There'll be some resistance here at the 309. But it's nice to sort of see that to get back up here. That's kind of where I'm hoping. That was like when I first bought this, was hoping to get back up to the 309, maybe even up here into the 312 range would be really nice, which again would put you at roughly right around so I'm sitting here right around a 2. It's about almost a 2% gain right now. To get back up here is about roughly a 3. And then if we got back up to here, it'd be about a 5%. So, I mean, if we can get back up there, make $500 on the day, dude, great day trade, by the way. So super excited about that. That was super cool to sort of see that we hit that dead on for this little bounce back. No, it was around 50. So again, holding Pioneer, holding till 5. I'm also holding till 5 with the long-term bag, but I'll definitely hold through that. I'm hoping that we're going to get to like the 7 to 10, but hey, I'm with you, dude. You guys truly are something different here. Terrific. Colonel, I'm with you, man. Please tell me some good news. I've been out for a couple days. I haven't watched. Well, I mean, right now the markets have been kind of like, we've been trading sideways since inauguration, which is again what we anticipated. Like I said, I think we're going to continue to probably trade sideways out here into February. As you guys know, tariffs start tomorrow. So Mexico, Canada, and China are all going to get tariffed starting tomorrow. So we'll see how the markets react to that. At least how crypto reacts to it. We won't see till the markets until probably around Monday. You can see right here that Trump's tariffs will start on Saturday. So tomorrow morning, we're going to wake up and Mexico, Canada, and China are all going to be giving us 25% in tariffs. So we'll see how this happens, dude. I don't even know what to expect, but obviously the Dow did not react kindly to that today. We could actually go back and look at just the markets in general, you can see right here that the tariff news actually caused this to go down. Markets are not reacting very kindly to the tariffs. I'm going to be honest with you. So I don't know how this is going to work out. This could actually be beneficial for crypto, though. That's one thing that we talked about here is the tariffs could be beneficial for crypto because crypto, as you guys know, is a universal, it's a universal thing. It's not just like the US stock market or anything like that. I mean, this is universal. The whole globe is buying cryptos and moving their money around in crypto. So this could actually be very beneficial for the crypto industry for these tariffs, to be honest with you. I mean, I feel kind of positive with where I'm at in some of these positions already because of the tariffs. I'm like, hey, dude, bring the tariffs on. I don't care. You know what I mean? I think all my money's in the XRP. I have some of my money is in stocks, obviously, but majority of my assets, 90% of my assets are in crypto. So, I mean, the majority of my focus is obviously crypto. And so, you good, bro? Dude, my son just fell out of his chair. He's gaming behind me right here. And he just fell out of his chair because he leans back on it. So, yeah, that's what happens. Chainlink. Yeah, Chainlink's good, man. Chainlink's good. Best channel for XRP without the drama. Hell yeah, dude. No drama here. Drama free here, man. Tony Punch, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Petro's in the house here. What's up? Soul of Jeffy. Swift is a winning horse today. Yeah, there's a lot of cryptos out here that are actually doing pretty damn well. I mean, Chainlink still up, doing really, really well. 25.9%. Another one right here. Hype is another one that's done well. 21.09. I don't talk about Hype, but obviously this is the one that they were talking about getting on Coinbase. If this gets listed on Coinbase, there's probably gonna be a lot of people that jump into it. No, there's a couple other ones that have done really good. ICP's working its way back up here. There was another one here. Oh, where'd it go? I was looking earlier. I can't remember which one it was that was doing decent. Well, obviously, Jasmine's done well. I heard some people were talking about Jasmine. Again, I'm not owning any Jasmine here. But overall, the market's kind of flat. But, I mean, some of these are doing pretty good. And I think, like I said, even with the 24 hours going to be turning over here in about 6 hours. So can't wait for that to happen. And we'll just continue to watch this. So are we going to blow up or what? We'll see, dude. We'll see. Kevin, dude, coming in with 10 gifted memberships. Gosh, dang, you guys are killing it, dude. Kevin, thank you so much for the 10 gifted memberships. If Kevin gifted you a membership, please say thank you to him. And those 10 new members, welcome to the A team. Welcome, my friends. You are now officially part of the channel. Thank you so much, dude. Papa Don, 3.0012 for me. Definitely appreciate Austin's input for sure. Oh, yeah, dude, this was a good buy, dude. Honestly, I mean, it's come back, I mean, again, we'll see what happens here. It could come back down. Set your stop loss, maybe take $100 off. I don't know what's going to happen. But right now it's up. It's moving upwards, and I hope that we continue to move it up. The 4 hours looking pretty good. We come down here. We hit the bottom on the 4 hour. So I'm hoping that the next 4 hour comes back up here. Our 4 hour ends here, or a new 4 hour started around 4 o'clock. Let me go up here. Let me zoom in on this bad boy here. So we had another one start at right around 4 o'clock. The next 4 hours here at 10 o'clock. So, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is when the next one's going to start. So here in about an hour and a half, we'll have another 4 hours. So I'm hoping that next 4 hour reaches up here to the 310 to fill this nice little fair value gap up here. And again, it could probably tap anywhere out in here between the 311 and the 313. You can see there's a lot of resistance right here. So it could probably come up here, hit some resistance at the 313 and come back down. That's kind of what we're hoping for here. So the 4 hours looking good. The 12 hours still, coming up here. We're hoping that it at least gets to the 80 right here. On the 12 hour gets to at least the 80%, and then maybe trickles back down something like we saw right here. But we'll see how this builds out here on this nice little run that we have here in the last at least 8 hours or so. So yeah. Joining the live stream from East Coast. Hell yeah, dude. So you're what is it, like 9 o'clock, almost 10 o'clock there, dude. Damn, Benny. Excited for to join Discord. Hell yeah, Julie. Definitely go join the Discord. Discord's fun, man. We have a lot of good time over there. A lot of good discussions in crypto, posting things left and right. A lot of good A-team support in there as well. And that's what it's all about. So if I'm not in there, someone else is in there talking about something. Best informational stream on the net. Oh, Tad, thanks so much, man. Crypto Dreams coming in hot with the $5, dude. Been crushing it on the XCN and XCH. Putting lots of profits back into XRP. Tariffs don't work. Other countries will just match for a trade war. That very well could happen. And Crypto Dreams, I'm so happy for anyone and everyone who's put their money in. I think you meant to say ACH and XCN. You guys are obviously doing a fantastic job and killing it, dude. And I couldn't be happier for you guys. And since it's a little bit of a Friday night, we actually might look into a little XCN for you guys. Again, I don't own any. Probably won't buy any, but I'll look into it for you guys, and we can actually, map it out and see where some spots or trading could be. Obviously, it's a heavily traded crypto right now, so there could be some good entry points. But again, a lot of emotional trading could be also in there, so you got to be really prepared for that. We're using Tariff to get rid of income taxes, which I support. I'm with you, dude. I've watched Slim and things. They probably watched my friend's channel. I don't know what fans talking about. I was messing with the shit coins and just not worth it. XRP, XLM, yeah, dude. Meme coins will definitely hurt you. All right, find those utility coins, those use cases, things like that that will really you could see being here in the future. Again, you want to try to find cryptos that are going to be here for a long time, not a short time. Most meme coins are here for a fun time, not a long time. That's the saying. So when you zoom out of this dip, looks just like the rest before the big jump. Yeah, exactly. We're kind of creating what's called a bull flag again, right after this little run right here. Right, this is a smaller bull flag than the previous one, but it's still a bull flag. Look at this. So previous bull flag was right here. Remember this bull flag we had before we went for the run? Again, we went roughly. Let's actually pull it back on this chart because I actually mapped it out a little bit. So from here to here was roughly about that was roughly about what? How many days was that? That was roughly about, I think I said that was like almost like 30 days, right? Well, December 30th, we went back up. So from December 2nd to the 30th, so we're talking like 28 days. We had from the top to where we actually ran, right? So if we go back here, we're saying 28 days would put us about roughly February 13th. So February 12th, February 13th, we can actually start to see us build back up again. So we could trade somewhere in this ballpark again, create a nice little bull flag, right? We got the pull. You can see right here, we got the pull. This is kind of what you want to see. And then we have obviously the flag, right? So the flag comes out like this. So we do something like you're going to, obviously create it, go out like this. And then we come back in and we create it's going to create a nice little flag. And so now we have this nice little bull flag here. Boom, we're going to run back up. And that's kind of what you want to see here. You can even start it down here. But I mean, that's kind of what you want to see. We did the same exact thing here. Bull flag up, right? And you can actually make this even like straight across, more like this. Something like that. And we'll continue to build this wedge, right? We'll form the wedge. It'll get a little tighter, and then boom, we're going to take off, right? That's the goal, is to eventually we ride back up. That's kind of what you want to see, right? Just like we saw here, right? We get up to like this $4 range, which would be, again, I think if I look at it, I think I put, I said 385. We'll get to 385 to 450. 385 to 450 is where we'll go, right? So we'll just split the difference here, 385 to 4. We'll just say $4, right? We'll get to the $4 range, which will put us right there. That's kind of what we're hoping for. Market, we'll see if it actually comes to fruition. I don't know. Like I said, that's kind of I don't usually put shit on the thing like that, but hey, it's Friday. We're here. We're doing it. We're doing it live. So that's kind of where it's at for me, man. Excited for what's going to happen here. Hey, Linda, what's up, man? Good to see you, Linda Van. What's up, Oz? What's up, AT Invincible? What's going on, dude? Linda in the house, yeah. Crypto Dreams, what's going on, dude? You already get donated, man. I love the crappy spell, and it's Friday fun day. Hell yeah, dude. Thanks so much for the $2. Thanks so much for the other donation. I'm so happy that you're doing really good. I joined Discord and accepted requests, but still am not in the group. You have to go down and hit the rules. Go down to the rules, Zach, and accept the rules, and then go over and click the emojis to get into the room, dude. ACH about to break to the 5. Yeah, 5 cents would be good, right? It's sitting around, what, 3 cents right now? I think I clicked on it. Where is ACH here? I thought XCN. There's XCN. Yeah, XCN's creating a nice little bull flag too. That's looking pretty good from a bull flag standpoint, right? Coming up, now we're going to create some sideways trading, hopefully to take the next level on XCN. Let's actually take a look at ACH here. Let's pull up Alchemy Pay. Where are we at? Alchemy Pay. Yeah, this thing is on a run right now. Again, I have a hard time buying green candles, so I would not FOMO into this. Again, if you missed the run, you missed the run. I'd wait for the pullback to happen to then basically try to find an entry point. Same with XCN, right? Now this is probably a good time to find an entry point. Look at this, right in a fair value gap on a day chart. People are probably going to eat this up right here. I mean, we're all looking at the same chart here. You could probably even pull back and do a nice little fib on this if you wanted to, and it'd probably give you some good. We'll just go down here to the last little. Actually, let's do it right here. I mean, this technically, if we did the fib, is basically in a buy zone, right? We could do a buy zone, and they're actually saying that this is going to be your. They're going to say that is your area. I don't know if I like that one. I think we're going to stick right here. I think I'm gonna stick right there for it because that's a pretty good amount of run right there. But I mean, that's kind of where you're at. You're in this fair value gap, but this has been on a tear, dude. Like I said, I'd have a hard time buying it. I'd probably wait till we have another run, but that's just personally me. ACH is on a massive rally right now, so again, I would personally, my rule is I don't buy it. Doesn't mean you can't, right? Doesn't mean you can't. I think it's important for you guys to go and learn your own lessons and do your own thing. But for me, my lesson is that I don't buy on green candles because I don't want to be exit liquidity for other people. Let's see here. Yeah, we got some sick kiddos for sure. Always, man. I feel like it's a petri dish in our house. What's up, Shannon? Good to see you, buddy. Another air crash. I know I saw that today in Philadelphia. That's crazy. Just imagine for 1 second people can donate using crypto. That'd be crazy. Is there another crypto that has good utility like XRP, HBAR, and still fairly cheap to get into? There probably is some out there. A lot of them outside the 100 gets pretty risky, but I mean, XCN's outside the 100, ACH is outside the 100. Again, those are the ones that seems like people are on here, jumping on board on the A team here. I don't own any of these, and so yeah, that's kind of where it's at. But one thing I want to point out here is that you guys can see right here that Grayscale is launching an XRP ETF. So they actually went out here and they did a filing for it. And they do believe that BlackRock is going to obviously follow this. And I don't see why they wouldn't, right? When you go back and you look at sort of where the growth was. So when the ETFs came on board, Bitcoin was actually, if we go back and look at where Bitcoin was, let me pull this back here real quick. Let's go to the day chart here. If you look back at where Bitcoin was, oh, sorry, I'm in the wrong Bitcoin. There we go. Bitcoin, where Bitcoin was back right here. This is a 91% growth, dude. 91% Bitcoin went up from the time that the ETFs got launched back in January of 2024 all the way to the top of this last one here in March of 2024 before we had this run right here. This thing actually went up 91% for Bitcoin, dude. We're literally talking going from 40,000 all the way up to, or 38,000 all the way up to about roughly 73,000 at this height right here, 91%. So again, like, let's just take that. This is the number one asset in the world. Let's just say that XRP does get an ETF, and we know it's going to happen. Like, we know it's happening. That's the name of the title of my thumbnail. It's going to happen. An ETF is going to happen. It's just a matter of when. And the question is whether you're going to be on the sidelines watching this happen, or you're going to actually be in the mix and waiting for this to roll up. Because again, it's going to catch you off guard. One day it's going to hit, and you're going to be on the sidelines waiting for this because you were waiting to get into a swing trade and you never bought XRP before. Whatever the case might be, you're going to be waiting. And so realize that that these ETFs are going to happen. We had, right here, Grayscale follows for Dogecoin ETF. Grayscale follows for XRP. You don't think that all the other people are going to jump in on these? Because again, these companies make money off the fees. These companies make money off people putting their money into these ETFs. And the more these grow, the more money they're going to make for a lot of these big institutions like a Grayscale, like a BlackRock. And so these people are going to jump on these. And like I said, if we go up 98% from where we're at right now, and again, I might lose my bet against Jaco, dude. Right? But if we go up 91% from where we're at right now, or sorry, yeah, 97% would put us at $6.35, right? I mean, I'd actually win my bet. He said $10. But even if that's the case, right? Let's just say that an ETF hits here in probably, let's just say March for shits and giggles, dude. We'll just say that it goes up in March. Next thing you know, we're sitting at $6, dude. From where you bought right now, that would put you up roughly about 100%. So yeah, you'd be up almost 100% on your bag right now. And that would be amazing, right? For a lot of people, that's incredible amounts of money. So if you think that if Bitcoin could go up 100% just off of an ETF listing, you don't think that XRP could go over 100%? I think XRP could probably even go further, maybe even 150%, because again, it's a little bit less of a market cap, right? And if we're judging market cap, which again, we're not trying to judge market cap with XRP, but I mean, if you are judging it based off XRP, I mean, again, $6 puts it at roughly what, almost 300 million in terms of 300 billion in terms of market cap. So it's half of ETH still. There's so much growth in XRP. It's insane, dude. I don't know what else to say to people. We've been talking about it for a long time. I think it's there for the taking. XRP is a good buy right now. It's definitely in a fair value gap if you wanted to swing it, dude. Schools are closing due to so many sick kids here. Oh, really? That's crazy. Yeah, there's a lot of sick kids here too, dude. And you guys know me, I got sick too, and I felt like it lasted forever. Thanks so much, Crypto Dreams. Keep up the great work, content. Austin, been here a minute. I know you have, bro. And I appreciate you so much, dude. Thank you very, very much for all the donations and support. I'm thinking about moving my XRP into Fart Boy. Hey, do you, boo? Do you? Engine and IMX, Immutable X are pretty good. Yeah, Immutable X is definitely up there, and Engine's it's definitely fallen off a little bit, but I mean it's still there. Crypto Dreams, yeah, thanks so much, dude. Is it too late to get into Ondo? No, Ondo, dude. I was saying Ondo was a good buy, right? We're talking about this in the Discord. Where's my Ondo here? Ondo was a really good buy back here. We were talking about this. This was the sell-off. Remember December or January 18th was the sell-off here, and they've recovered really, really nicely, right? So this is all the fear leading up to the sell-off here, which again, I told you guys was going to happen. I said there was going to be a sell-off. People are going to sell off because of fear, but they bounced back super nicely from this. And I mean, right now, if you actually bought this dip right here from the sell-off of from the tokens being released, you'd be up roughly 33%. Let's actually pull. We could pull a dude. Let's actually pull a. Where's the fractals on this one? Yeah, dude, this one's actually down pretty good. Damn. So we'll probably pull from down here. This is good because we're on the day chart right here. Let's actually go to the 4-hour chart here. I'm gonna get these fractals off. This one's gonna be a hard one to judge. Let's do the 4-hour here. So we'll do it off of a smaller sample size here. But you can see right here, this thing has been on a nice little run. So oopsies, there we go. And yeah, this is a nice little run right here. You can see it's probably, you're hoping that it falls back, almost hit that fair value gap earlier today, which could come back down here and hit this 382 level right here at the 144 range. 144 is probably a nice little fair value gap on the 4-hour. If we go to the day chart here, the day chart's looking like, yeah, it's looking pretty, you're definitely it's technically a buy zone, right? The 382 level. This is obviously a deeper dive down here if it goes back into the 0.5. But being that Ondo is partnering with Ripple, this has a nice little build out right now. Comparing these to other charts, so yeah, Ondo is definitely in technically a buy zone based off fib. So you can't knock that. Austin, dude, there is a protest movement on Twitter like GameStop around Hood. I just want to let you know because I think you're super generous with your time. There's a protest movement on Twitter like GameStop. Oh, really? What is it, Michelle? What is the protest movement on Twitter? BlackRock is on for the ETF next week, reportedly. Yeah, and remember they came out, Patrick, and they said that they weren't going to do it. Man, it's been slow, but I mean they're up 38% over the last 2 weeks. So, James, what's going on, dude? What do I think of VThor? You're talking about for VeChain? That's again, it's kind of slow. You know what I mean? Kind of slow, but it's okay. So we're trying to buy an ETF too. I mean, if you want to, you can move your 401k in there and not get charged, right? Hospitals are full. Damn, dude, that's crazy. That's crazy. I didn't know that. Yeah, I mean, I felt like I was sick forever. James, thanks so much for the $2 juice. You're saying not to not say no more cardboard box. No more cardboard box, dude. No more cardboard box. 100%, dude. That's exactly what I'm saying. So again, the 4 hours working its way up here. We're going to try to get over here with the XRP. My goal is to try to get up here to the 311 marker. I have Moonbags and AMP on Gala. Okay. What did ETH do when I got an ETF? ETH did really well. ETH did okay. I don't know if ETH did exactly. ETH didn't do as much as Bitcoin did. Let's see here. Let's actually pull up ETH. So ETH launched on July 3rd of 2024. So let's go to July. We got right over here is August, July. You can see July is right here. This is the July ETF, right? So it didn't really do as much. Came down here at the bottom. It went up roughly about 25%, and then it came way down hard, dude. Sold way hard. Came down here about 21%, 21,000, and now it's worked its way back up. So again, you're actually still buying where the ETFs actually launched right here on July of 2024. So July 3rd of 2024, you can see, boom, it came up. And then here's where it got opened. And then look at the sell-off right there. Everyone became exit liquidity when ETH came on board. So big difference from what Bitcoin did to what ETH did. And so, I think XRP is a different ballgame. You're dealing with a different group of animals here. So I think it's probably for the better. What's good? Buy an XLM, looking for diversification. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that dude, XLM's looking pretty good too. I mean, it's still bouncing back right now. Like the buy zones are down here, and now it's looking pretty good today. Having a nice little bounce back from yesterday. So I think a lot of these cryptos are looking good from a bounce back from earlier yesterday after we had a little bit of a downturn. I'm holding. I have 10,000 right now just for a small little flip. What happens when Swift Bank switches to XRP? I mean, things are going to look good, dude. 100% things are going to look good. Ondo teamed with Ripple on the XRPL for U.S. Treasury bonds. I know, I saw that. Genius, dude. I'm with you, dude. I'm with you, Adam. We're gonna heal. We're gonna heal him for sure. Cash, thanks so much for the $10, dude. Let's get them likes to 800. Let's go. Yeah, hit that like button. Appreciate you guys. We have 938 people in here watching. If each and every one of you actually hit that like button. I don't know if the last time I actually got over 1,000 likes on a stream. That would be pretty crazy. But yeah, appreciate you guys for hitting that like button. Help me push it up in the algorithm. Have you not been giving their kids immunity shots? Hope they get well soon. This is the first time they've been sniffling, but I mean, this is the first time they actually well, one of them has a pretty good fever, but the other ones are fine. It's like they keep giving one will be good, the other one won't be. Then they'll go a couple weeks, and then the next one will get sick, and the other one will be good to go. It's kind of been crazy. Hearing a lot of chat on the X that XRP is going to boom next week with Japan banks. Hey, dude, that very well could be happening. I think we heard earlier this week about how a lot of the banking institutions, you heard Chase, and you heard Bank of America, and all these companies come out and say that they're willing and openly want to accept crypto. And then you had Jerome Powell come out and talk about how the banks can actually come out and use crypto. So I'm kind of on board that this is going to happen. I hope it does. Yeah, and Old Man Jenkins, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. Appreciate that a ton. There's walking pneumonia going on in Washington. Is that what it is? Walking pneumonia? It kind of feels like it, dude. Yeah, germs are rough, bro. And kids are petri dishes, dude. Kind of loving my Ondo, not gonna lie. How's things? Yeah, BB go. I'm with you, dude. Ondo, I was not a big fan of Ondo at first just because of the token sell-off, but it's grown on me. So I'll give kudos to Rob Got It. If you guys don't know, Rob Got It is the one that kept pushing. He's not here right now. I haven't seen Rob Got It in a while, dude. Where's he been? Where's Rob been? Where you at, Rob? But yeah, he was the one that was sort of pushing it earlier on. Crypto Dream, thanks again for the $5, dude. There's crazy ass prediction of XRP all the way to 10K. I know 10K is a little crazy, right? When you start to really think about it, but we'll see, dude. I mean, if it got to 10K, I mean, if it got to 10K, let's just play for fun. We've done this before. Sometimes you got to have fun with it, right? I know sometimes this seems a little unrealistic, but let's just say it gets to $10,000. That would put it at roughly oh my gosh, it put out a market cap of billion. It put out a market cap of $577 trillion, which would be absolutely nuts. $10,000, and it would be roughly about a 3,267 multiplier. Yeah, I would just say that we'd all be filthy rich. Filthy rich. We'd all be on private airplanes, living in the Bahamas, having a house in the Bahamas, house in the Hamptons, and probably having a house where you grew up. You probably buy the house that you grew up in, just because you could. So yeah, that's kind of funny, man. But that's where it would be, dude. That'd be crazy as hell. How much would my investment be worth at 10,000? Yeah, dude, that is nuts, dude. But hey, you can always dream, right? You can always have some dreams out here. It's okay. We could always dream big, No one, all the people out there that made it in life, they weren't dreaming small. How's Sui? Sui's actually looking pretty good, dude. Sui's a sleeper right now. I will admit that Sui is kind of a sleeper. This thing has come down, went up. It's actually a nice little buy zone earlier, 2 days ago. So it came down to about $3.50, went all the way up to roughly $4.32. This thing actually had a nice little turnaround here. I almost kind of wish I bought this because it had a nice little, in 3 days, it went up 23%. It was such a nice little rally. If this comes back down into this area again, I'm probably gonna swing Sui without question, dude. I'm gonna swing trade the hell out of this thing next time. This is actually a strong crypto. I think Sui is the up and coming blockchain. It's the one that people are obviously paying attention to right now, and this has an opportunity to do really well. So right now, I mean, it's actually sitting here at, it's still sitting here around a $12 billion market cap, but you look at Tron, right? I mean, it goes up, it doubles, and it goes up here with the Tron, the Cardanos of the world, which would be a triple. It goes up here with, BNB, which is almost at 100 million. You know, there's opportunities here for SUI to do really, really well. We know the BNB is kind of like, you know, it's gone downward in terms of the blockchain. Not a lot of people are using it. Solana is obviously a big one up here, but it's, you know, a bunch of the cryptos out there, rugs. SUI picked up because of all the meme coins coming over here. A lot of people are actually moving their stuff over here in terms of liquidity. So yeah, I mean, SUI is definitely one of those that you should be watching out for as well, like without question. Sick for 3 weeks, yeah, that's quite a while. What do you think of Cardano? Is it ever going to reach all-time highs this run? It could. I mean, it could. It's just such a slow mover, dude. I feel like once it gets momentum, it like dies. It gets momentum and then it dies. You know, it has a ways to go, which would be, you know, a 3x from where it's at right now, or it would be a 2x from where it's at right now. And it's just such a slow mover. And there was a lot of hype built around Cardano right here. You got to realize there was a lot of hype built around Cardano right here to get to this $3. And it doesn't have as much traction as it did before. That's just my personal opinion. Nothing against it. I'm just saying that it just doesn't have what it had before. Hunter, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Can you analyze TAI? We could look at TAI. I haven't looked at. I don't even know what this is. 292. What is this thing, dude? 192 million market cap. That's a tiny one, bro. That's like that must be like a meme coin. Which TAI are you? Yeah, it's the only one that's out there. It's a Solana based crypto. That's a little too memey for me, bro. I probably won't analyze it. I don't think it can be analyzed. You know, it's definitely a meme coin. It's definitely down there. Like I said, I appreciate the $5, but I mean, I don't know, dude. That seems a little rough. Like it's probably hard to analyze it, knowing that it's what do you call it? Kind of like a meme. I don't even know what it is. What is it, dude? Tell me what it is first, and then we'll look at it. When I try to link Discord to YouTube, it says connecting failed. Have tried multiple times. You got to connect your YouTube to Discord. So go to integrations on Discord, settings, integrations, YouTube, and you'll be able to rock and roll right there. How do I scalp XRP? I have 5K at 314. Do I have to wait until it reaches my entry start? Well, to scalp it, you got to make a profit first to be able to scalp it. So yeah, you probably have to wait for it to go over 314 or DCA your way in. Damn, you got no empty rooms in Atlanta? Gosh, dang. And then he dipped out. AC pumping and Swift. All right. Damn, ACH to hit that 5 cents 3. Damn, all right. Kudos to anyone who got into ACH, man. That brings back memories. Like I told you guys, dude, I bought ACH such a long time ago. I mean, I don't hold any now, but you know, that was one of my first real big bangers, dude. Got up to like 20 cents there and sold. So yeah, kids getting sick for sure, Bald Brian. How high do you think Jasmine could go? I don't know, dude. I don't follow Jasmine all that much, to be honest with you. But I know a lot of people do. Is this dude still wearing a mask? Who cares? Kids get sick, man. It's normal. Yeah, dude. We fall and winter season, dude. Having 3 kids, like you just. Hey man, make sure you got that NyQuil. Make sure you got that DayQuil. That's kind of the best thing you can do. Make sure you guys are taking your vitamin D3s. Make sure you guys are taking your vitamin C's. Make sure we're getting those. I put them up here just so I know I can take them. Just make sure it reminds me to take them. Make sure you guys are taking them. Take your vitamins. What's going on? Yeah, I don't know anything about the whole fart boy thing. I don't know. That's probably just another thing. Hey, with Japan and U.S. banks now, we waited so long. Dude, that'd be crazy if they get it. Nutrition is life, dude. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. Some good old-fashioned garlic cures. That's true, too. I heard garlic actually works really well. I would agree with that. Nutrition for life. Definitely got to. What kind of whiskey you got in that Coke, Austin? Tony, I got Jameson whiskey, bro. Stout edition Jameson. I'm a whiskey guy for sure. So yeah, cheers to you guys. It's Friday night. We'll take a little sip of some Jameson here. Fans telling me to stop talking about I was just talking about vitamins. Dude, vitamins are good, bro. Vitamins are good for you. Bob Fox, dude, thanks so much for the 10 gifted memberships. If Bob gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Bob. Appreciate it a ton. Thank you so much. And yeah, again, those 10 new members, welcome to the A team. Appreciate you guys. And thank you so much. Dang, you live in Vancouver. Well, I love Vancouver, Washington, dude. You guys are getting an In-N-Out burger. And again, Bob, thank you so much, man. There are not of cases of, oh, yeah, dang. If XRP hits 10K, I'm not telling the wife. Oh, my God, Dangerous Dave. That's crazy, dude. What's up, Mike? What's going on, dude? Unfortunately, my average price of XRP is 311. Okay. Let's actually go back and look. We're coming back. We're sitting here about 407, dude. Yeah. or sorry, not 407. We're sitting here about 305, 304.94. So we'll see if we can keep building out of this today. Be nice to come up, fill this fair value gap here, fill the next one right up here at 311. That's kind of where I'm hoping. I'm hoping we'll get to this 311 mark right here. That's kind of where that's where the sell point for me. Hey, bud, XDC, a good buying zone. Let's take a look, man. I just looked at XDC. XDC is in a buy zone, dude. It's actually in a pretty good dip still based off what I'm seeing here. So we pulled this a while back. And yeah, it's been dipping around. This was like obviously a nice little area in the golden pocket right here that it hit one time and bounced back. But yeah, technically this is still in a buy zone. The 4 hours coming down here, which is good, right? We'll see where the 12 hours at. 12 hours working its way back down. I guess last time it bounced, we were right here. Yeah, we probably would come down. We probably could come down. So something to watch out for, but I mean, again, the day chart's already at the bottom here, so that's good. That means we're priming. Like I said, we want to basically be down here. See how this was down here? Let me move your comment out of the way there, Queef. Appreciate the $2. You can see right here that we were down. The day chart's already down at the bottom right here. Look at that. We kind of want that, right? So we kind of want this down here a little bit. Make it easy for some trading. But yeah, XTC probably is could do some nice little runs here as well. Yeah, it's crazy the level of support that's down here. Let's zoom in on this. Let's zoom in. Yeah, the level of support's pretty good. Yeah, dude, your level of support's probably, I mean, dude, probably right here. The golden pocket's probably where you want to buy. I'd probably put an order in for somewhere around like the 10 cent mark right now. If this comes down right around the 10 cent mark, maybe it's kind of where I'd start looking again. You know what I mean? Somewhere in that ballpark. I mean, there is a fair value gap right here to fill. So around the 10.50, the 10 cent, .105 is where you'd want to maybe put in right here if you want to see a nice little bounce back. But again, I'd probably be a little aggressive on this one because we got the 12 hours still going to recover here. Let's mark it and test it. All right, let's mark it and follow up to it. I'm gonna say 10 right around the 10-1 marker right there. All right, that's where I'm putting my line. So probably not a bad little buy. We'll have to continue monitoring that one. Nothing. Thanks for the 18er support. Yeah, Queef, anytime, man. A while ago, a video of someone suggesting the market cap isn't appropriate if it's not a security asset. I mean, we talked about that, real ice bear. We talked about how, again, if this is a commodity, market cap doesn't matter. We've just been told that market caps are required, right? Did you see the World Liberty Financial website? Yeah, I did. We were looking at it earlier. Sick Legend. We were looking at it earlier with their pre-sale. Oh yeah, Link for sure. We can take a look at Link, man. Definitely, man. I'm still sitting on my Link here, dude. Such a great purchase. My white line's the purchase right there. I still am kind of shocked I got that. So yeah, that was a nice little run right there for sure. Let's see here. Oh man, I gotta sneeze. Yeah, just Gravy's the one that told me about this. That's who it was. I was telling you guys earlier today. I didn't know who was telling me about it. It was just Gravy. Not the greatest average price, but holding XRP, XLM. Yeah. So right now you can see that. Let's actually repull this. I haven't pulled a new fib on this one with the new numbers. So let's repull the fib here. So technically, Link is in a sell zone. You got to see the 12 hours coming up here. Let me move your comment out of the way there. And you can see it's coming up here. So it's obviously over purchase. The day chart's down here, working its way back up here. Last time it hit up here, it came back down. So we'll see if this continues to go up. The 4 hour is working its way down. So this could be a little bit of some sell-off right here, falling back down here, maybe to the 20. I mean, maybe back into the 24 range. I guess that's kind of what you're hoping for if you want to try to find an entry point. But, again, this will continue to probably trade between the 236 and the 3. I guess it did go down to the 0.5, but that was a pretty good sell-off right there. So we could be in this range right here. And that's kind of what you're wanting for if you're swing trading this. Oh man, Jenkins, thanks again for the $2. Dude, anyone in the Alpha coin? I am not. I'm not an Alpha coin at all. Oregano, yeah, I heard oregano is good. Black seed oil. I got my wife in on XRP. I have 700. She's got 50 so far. Hell yeah, Zach. At least you're getting your wife in on there. I'm from Australia. Where's everyone from? Seattle, Washington, dude. Let's see here. As long as the XRP goes above $3, we're in store for another boom to two. Yeah, I'm with you, dude. 100%. Vintage Virtue, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Bitcoin maxi tiers, XRPs. I know, dude. Heck yeah, man. I think that they're pretty disappointed. They're pretty disappointed, man. Northern England, wow, dude. Fan has the control paste on that message. That's so true. F Joe, I came to see what happens. I'm just watching. What's up, F Joe? Good to see you, buddy. ACH broke that 5.6. Is ACH killing it right now? All right. Well, kudos to anyone who got into ACH, man. That thing is freaking ripping. Holy crap, dude. This thing is ripping. I'll give you that, dude. ACH is not looking back right now. It is not looking back right now. Yeah, that's pretty crazy, dude. This last couple days, yeah, this whole week, dude. You guys have had nice little rallies, dude, since Sunday. So basically 5 days, right? 5 days, you guys could have been up roughly about 165, 170%. That's a good run, man. That is a good run right there. So kudos to anyone that got in on that. Ryan, dude, thanks so much for the $5, dude. What's up, Boston? Hope you're doing well. What's your thoughts on Uniswap? I love Uniswap, bro. Anything decentralized, I'm big into. Uniswap is big. I think this is a really, really good one right here. So we can actually pull a, let's go to the 12-hour here. You can see right here, I think Uniswap's in a really good position right now. You can see it came down here pretty hard. We'll go up here. This is actually a small sample size right here. Oh, sorry, I don't know what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna pull the fib right here. We hit this little low right here back almost like 4 days ago. Hit this high. So I mean, this is right there. This is technically in a buy zone. This is actually in a this has actually in a good buy zone. I'd probably wait. I'd probably put a buy order down right in this fair value gap, just if you're jumping into this at like maybe 1135, somewhere in that ballpark. Could be. Let's mark that one while we're here as well. See if we hit that. Let's go to my horizontal line. 1135. Sushi is looking good too. They actually have had some updates out here as well, which you can see that's where the rise came up here was Sushi's having some pretty good upgrades with their systems. And this has actually been in a little bit of a decline right here. So you can see we've actually gone, new low, higher low, newer low. We keep going down. So we're hoping that we can actually break back out of this at some point. And you can see back here in December, we actually did pretty well. We're roughly down. I mean, if you actually think about it, dude, we're down pretty good right now. Almost 56%. Gosh dang, dude. If we're actually able to turn that back around and get back to the cycle high right there, that'd be roughly about 129% if we can actually get back to the cycle high. So these are ones definitely to watch out for in terms of like positioning and where they'll go. Obviously, Jupiter is a good purchase. This is where again, who was it that bought here? Yang bought it right here, and I marked it for him. And this one's actually come out pretty hot too. So all these decentralized networks, Radium, Jupiter, Uniswap, Sushi, I think these are all things to watch out for. That's why I love decentralization. Best platform to buy ETFs. Mom wants to know. I mean, you could do it on, there's probably Fidelity, right? You could do Fidelity. I think Fidelity has a good one for like Bitcoin. Let's see here. 292. What's up, Hogs? Good to see you, man. Going possibly lower, but that's the level we could bounce soonest. Yeah, I hope that we keep building out of this one. 304.82. The 12 hours still working its way up. The 4 hours working its way down. So there could be a little sell-off pressure here, being that the 4 hours at the bottom. Hopefully we prepare for a nice little bounce back here. But I do think that $3 range is a pretty strong range right here. The wall is built back up for that one too. I created a coin called Dr. Dead Skinned. Oh my gosh. I like Fidelity for the ETFs and stocks. Yeah, Fidelity's good. Can you see Hedera? Yeah, let's take a look. I haven't looked at Hedera. Yeah, dude, let's look at Hedera. Dude, Hedera's been bouncing around here. Really, really good, strong, strong zone right here. You can see this right here. This whole area is super strong. Like between 29.2 and right here around 31, about 31.6. This whole area is super strong. A lot of support in this area. and a lot of resistance. So it'd be nice if we continue to bounce around here, right? We did really well. We did really well bouncing sideways here. And we're doing the same thing here where we're bouncing kind of sideways here before we have the next little leg right here. So that's what I'm hoping hits right here. We do a little sideways. I'm hoping we can maybe come up here a little bit into the right here to like maybe the 3-3 area and start to build up in here sideways versus more down here. But you can see there's still a lot of support right around this level, right around the level where we're at, right around the 31 level. So if you remember, 31 was the number to break, right? That was our back when we were doing this. 31 was the level that we broke. I deleted that because these were the breaks over 31. They'd come back down. Break over 31, they'd come back down. So 31 was actually our level of resistance. Now it's our level of support, which is good, right? You want that to be our level of support so we can go to the next one. So then our next little ones will probably be up here. We'll spike past that and we'll come back down here. And our next will be about 36, 37 will be our next probably levels of support. Because again, our levels that we want to break through right now are 36. That's kind of where we're at when you start to look at where these are. So our next level to break through here is 36. And we'll continue to build up through there. So yeah, I think it's looking pretty good too. Canvas was mentioned 5 months ago prior to Ninja. Okay, you got into ACH. I'm a capitalist on crypto. Gotcha, Ryan. That's good though, dude. Economic Ninja is pushing ACH. What scares you? I mean, maybe. I mean, he's got his money in there, dude. I mean, again, he's pushing where his money's at, right? That's kind of what you want. Code Core, what's up, buddy? Don't let him lie. Austin only wears pants in the bear market. If I could wear shorts every day, I will, dude. 100%. Every day. In the summertime, I'm wearing shorts every day. How was your swing trade earlier day? Still up, still looking pretty good right now. I actually hit my swing trade dead on, dude. This was a dead on swing trade right here today. If you go back and look at this swing trade, dude, like I'm super happy when I look at that, dude. Look at this. Look at how much this hit, guys. I was like super proud of it. I was telling Fan, I was like, dude, I haven't been this proud of hitting a one like almost dead on. Look at that. I'm zooming really far in because I want you guys to see how close this was. So I triggered this. This went all the way down to 3006, and mine was at 3009. Like we're talking like hundredths of a penny. And we hit this. I couldn't believe I actually hit it dead on like that. I'm kind of proud of myself for doing that. I'll admit. It doesn't happen too often to hit like that. Usually it comes down below. Usually it'll be something like this where it goes down, a couple cents below, and then you miss it. But this one was like dead on. Now it's going to come down, fill this fair value gap. Hopefully we continue back upward. That's kind of what I want to see here. So we'll see. We have about 40 minutes until we see the next hour candle. So we'll see what builds out of this next one. So yeah, really, really nice to see. Dude, Hunter, thanks so much for the $20 donation, dude. TARS, TAII, is one of the first AI-focused ecosystems on the Solana blockchain, supported by a grant from the Solana Foundation, offers a comprehensive suite of modular AI tools and products tailored to the Solana ecosystem. Wow, dude, that's actually cool. So I appreciate the $20. I still have it here. I'll pull it up for you, dude. I don't even, like I said, I don't even know what it is, but 291. I mean, it's definitely a higher. It's in the 200s, or it's in at least the 300s. It is on some centralized exchange out there. I haven't seen this. It's fairly new. Came out roughly almost a year. Well, I guess it launched back in May of 2024. So still trying to gain some traction. It's definitely 191 million in terms of market cap. So yeah, I mean, tokens unlock doesn't have anything there. There is a tokens. There is some airdrops. So something to at least monitor. 2025, there'll be some airdrops coming. Oh, this is across the whole year, though. So, I mean, I'll have to do some more research on it. But, yeah, it's at least in the 200s. But, again, it's not really where I trade. But I'll pull it up for you, buddy. And I appreciate that. Definitely been around. Definitely trying to build its thing. But there you have it. Cool. Thank you so much, man. Let's see here. Thumbnail says this will happen. Did I miss what will happen? Oh, I was just saying that like the ETFs are going to happen, Casey. Like it's going to happen. And when they happen, I mean, we're going to probably go up. Like Bitcoin went up 90%, went up 97%. And so I guess I would be shocked if XRP didn't do that. You know what I mean? With the hype behind XRP and everything they're going through, when the ETFs happen, because they are going to happen. I mean, you guys see right here, Grayscale comes out. They filed for it. Now you got BlackRock that's going to come out supposedly and be buying for it. So, I mean, you got to realize that all these ETF companies are going to come out and be buying these ETFs up, dude. Dogecoin is going to come out. More of these cryptos, HBAR, XLM, they're all going to be eventually become part of an ETF at some point. And when those happen, we're going to probably see some nice rallies because people are going to actually then put a lot more of their money into these ETFs, which are going to help it grow. Austin, anyone on Swift token and said that, what do you think? A lot of people are Swift. I don't own it. I mean, people, it's been around for a long time. So yeah, how's that Doge fib looking? Let's take a look, dude. Definitely, let's go to the 4 hour on this one. It's definitely down. I mean, we can see right now, we are trying to recover out of here. You can see that we have bounced back over here to up here. So, I mean, if you wanted to pull from that, you can pull from wherever you want on these fibs, right? But, I mean, technically, this is still like, I mean, if you pull from that area, from the low to the high right there on the cycle, which was back in December 16th, it was pretty long. It's actually a pretty long time frame ago. I mean, technically, you're probably, yeah, dude, you're I mean, you're kind of screwed right here. I mean, you're falling out of the thing right there. But I mean, that's kind of where you're pulling the fib on this thing. And yeah, it's definitely down, dude. This could be a buy zone if you're looking to swing it. But I mean, it's been kind of hard down here on the days. It's been consolidating nicely down here. Hopefully, we can continue to build back out. So Dogecoin seems a little sketchy to me right now. I'd have a hard time swinging that right now. Austin C. Flossin, what's up, my guy? What's up, Crypto King? Good to see you. So we're saying that HBAR can get to $2 before the bear market starts. That's what I'm hoping for, Brandon. That's what I'm pushing for. And again, Hunter, thanks so much for the $20 donation as well. I think I said that to you, but Dad, thanks again, dude. Appreciate that. What are we seeing with Jasmine? I mean, I guess Jasmine's been doing pretty well, right? It's up like 2% right now, I think is what it's showing. Making it going to ultra instinct. How? Yeah, I ended up putting up the little decals, you know. Switching it up a little bit for the night, you know what I mean? Dawson talking about XLR already. I did not, Sandra. XLR, I did not. Kevin, thanks so much for the $2, dude. What's up, man? Can you please give me some info on XCN? What? Well, I mean, it's done. This is in deck. Technically, if you want to look at it, it is in a buy zone. XCN's like right here, basically falling down, but this has been extremely over purchased, right? I mean, we're coming down on the 4 hours, coming down to the bottom here, which again, I think I said that it was be roughly about like right here in this $3 range is kind of where you'd want to be. And you can see it's already trying to fill the fair value gap, but I think the day chart's going to actually show a little bit more here. You know, but technically this is in a buy zone based off where it was. I mean, there's just a lot of, the day chart's coming down, the 12 hours coming, it's already down. Yeah, so you'll have to sort of see where this plays out. The only thing is that this could actually, there could be some sell pressure, right? You could come back down here into this little fair value gap right here on the 12 hour. Just things you got to be wary of. As much as there's hype around this and some play, you got to realize there's other things out here too that could be negative. But technically, it's in a buy zone. If you look at fib, it's in a buy zone. I'm not going to be swinging it. I have my money elsewhere, but I mean, this is technically in these zones are definitely buy zones. Your best buy zone was like almost 4 days ago. I think we're actually live on stream when this was coming down pretty hot, and so you can see this actually hit the fair value gap, the golden pocket right here, and it's bounced back nicely. So if you actually got in on that dip, you're up almost 50% on your investment. That's filthy. That's filthy. So yeah, kudos to anyone got on XCN, dude. XCN under review for listing on Binance. That'd be great. Oz making money calls. Grats, man. I appreciate that. No, it's fun, dude. Janos, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I appreciate you being here. Can you compare XLM to HBAR to invest without financial advice? Well, I mean, they're different, but I mean, they're very much they kind of run together. You can see here, and we can actually put the let's put the XLM chart on top. Okay, well, I already have the let's do the flip flop here. Let's do here's XLM, and so we'll do HBAR, and you can see they pretty much run together here, actually running almost identical. But yeah, I think they both do well. Look at that. Look at almost identical runs and falls. So kind of crazy how that works. Let's go to the day chart. H bar is behind it right here, so a little bit higher in terms of percentages, but still looking pretty good. I guess I'm just a little bit more. I just feel a little bit better with H bar than XLM, but that's just me personally. So again, we have our own little preferences as to why. I think I just like kind of where it's at. Like I said, XLM is kind of a little bit of a competitor to that of XRP, but to each our own. We'll see if it dips, man. We'll see. Last time they had the the coins being released, or the people were thinking it was going to dip, and it actually came out strong. So airdrops are where they actually drop you crypto into your wallet for free. You don't pay any gas fees. They just airdrop it right into your wallet. When a new coin launches, does it always start above the pre-sale? Usually it rallies above the pre-sale. Yeah. Usually you'll have a nice little rally above it. I mean, some will fall right off the map, right? Some will take a big tumble depending on what it is. But, most usually, they do you can never guarantee it, but yeah, they usually rally. I mean, you go back and look at a lot of these cryptos, a lot of them will rally and then they'll come down. That's usually how it goes. I like Filecoin. Yes, I do like Filecoin. Not always the usual volatile. You have to be quick to the trigger. Yeah. I'm always having issues. James, so with the PureWallet thing, you got to make sure on the PureWallet thing here. So on this pre-sale, you got to make sure when you connect your wallet here, there's two things you can do on the pre-sale, dude. You can connect your wallet here, and when you actually connect it, you got to make sure you don't push max. Because again, right now, like my wallet right here has, I'll zoom in. So you can see my wallet has 0.2874. If I hit max, I won't have enough ETH to cover the gas fees. Good, I think you still got to cover gas fees on the PureWallet. So it has to be less than 2.8, right? So I'll just do, like, if I want to buy, I got to take like 2.5 or 2.6 or 2.7 to at least cover the gas fees that are in here. That's number one. Number two, if you're having other issues with it, you can go, like I said earlier, you can go into the wallet. So if, like, you say you have, let's just say that you have PureWallet, for instance, or you have, let's actually go over here to, let me get into my SafePal wallet. Let me do it over here. If you do SafePal, you can actually go into the browser section of your SafePal wallet. Again, don't do this with, you have to do this with only verified accounts, or verified, like that, it's a legit website. It's not some crazy website. So you gotta make sure you do that. So what you could do is you go into your section down here where it says dApps, and you can actually paste in the website. You can actually go to the website here and paste it into your browser section, and then it will actually take your wallet will automatically connect inside your wallet. So you can do it that way too, and that's another easy way to do it as well. So hopefully that clears it up for you. Tima, dude, Tima is pumping a 2x within the last 4 hours. MACD turned green with the cross all-time high. You know what, dude? I've never pulled up a Tima, but you got lucky today, dude. I feel lucky. I'm gonna pull up Tima for you today, bro. I do not condone this, but this is it's at 32.14. It's break 3,000. This is not. I mean, from an all-time standpoint, that's pretty far down. Where's the 1 day here? 7 day. Obviously, it's come back up. It's bounced back out of its hole here. It's up about 6% over the last 7 days. But again, very high volatility. It's around roughly, it's doing about 2 million in terms of it's about 8 million market cap, which is really, really low. Very probably volatile crypto here, but I mean, kudos to you guys for keep building it. You know what I mean? Definitely down from where you guys launched. Hopefully you guys can build out of the hole too, Charles. And thanks so much for the $5. Like I said, I was going to pull it up here, but there you guys go. And the only reason I did that was because Charles is here every day. It's a late night stream on a Friday. We're having some fun. And so really, I'm only doing it for Charles. Appreciate your $5, bro. People need to stop trying to make money on XRP. It's for a long time holders. They can go on to Altcoin. I would agree with you, Mama. Yeah, XRP is a long-term hold. You know what I mean? I'm making swing trades right now with it. Don't get me wrong. Like XRP, I'm making some swing trades right now. But it could be hard. It could be a hard place to make your crypto. But I would not be shorting XRP. That's one thing I know for sure. Hey, Austin, what do you think about the bear market starts after Q3? Yeah, usually right around roughly around, we're thinking maybe August. But again, this is a different cycle, dude. What time is it when you read this? It's 7:24. It's 7:29 right now, fan. ACH is exploding. HBAR uses Hashgraph technology and XLM as a blockchain. That is true. That's a good. I mean, yeah, if we're talking technology, fundamentally XRP is going to need to stress. I want XLM to break out, but it's hitting a brick wall. It broke out a little bit the other day. I tried to tell Austin about XCN before even Ninja sent the letter. No, you're good, Ryan. Hey, man, you know, what I mean, I'm so fixated on like the ones I got. You know what I mean? I kind of get you know, I get blindfolded by a lot of things because I'm just so looking at the things that I have my money vested in. Oh yeah, welcome, Scotty, dude. Hi, do you hold Jet Bold? I do not. Yeah, I like the stream. Appreciate that, Linda. XRP expected price 225, 5-6 months. I mean, I'm hoping that it gets up to like I said, hopefully it gets up to like the $7 range before we hit the bottom. Yeah, there's a lot of times where XRP holders hated XLM. Most have accepted and supported its existence. Yeah, well, it's because of, you know, people jump ship, right? Doge and Trump are expected to price. Doge should do well. Austin, do you like the idea of swapping cryptos for crypto on the rise, then swap them for profit for another one? I usually don't swap cryptos for cryptos because sometimes when you swap cryptos for crypto, I mean, you're talking like swapping directly from one, you'll get charged higher fees. But yeah, technically, I mean, you could do that. Yeah, for sure. You know, go degen into something over there and then move it over into something you like, for sure. So listening to Austin, I additionally own for my long-term bag XRP. How the hell do you spam so fast? Control V, right, Borishita? Cool Ranch, thanks so much for becoming a new member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. What's up, Austin? What's going on, dude? Toshi gonna go crazy. Better get into that ship. Yeah. Some people are new, don't understand. I think that they can trade all they want in altcoins. That's true. There's some. You got to be careful. You know, that's why it's important to accumulate a bag before anything else. What's the news with XRP? Oh, just we have BlackRock's probably gonna come in here and be launching. I would, you know, they came out and said that BlackRock wasn't gonna get involved with only Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think that's a lie, dude. I think BlackRock's gonna come in and be a part of the launching of XRP ETF. Like, I don't see them sitting on the sidelines. Hey, just one sec, guys. I had the fan on and it was freaking getting cold. What are your thoughts on Pepe has come down? Pepe is, you know, it's emotional trading, dude. You know what I mean? You got to be careful. Pepe is more of an emotional trading type of deal. So, can you place the screen gas fees to go from Coinbase to, do we need Ethereum to make it work? Yeah, you do. If you're sending in Ethereum, you do. If you're sending in Solana, you need Solana. So anytime you have like gas fees, that means that you're sending it from like one, you know, you're sending it from an exchange to the blockchain or blockchain to blockchain, whatever it is that you're doing. They charge you gas fees to move it across the blockchain. That's how Ethereum makes their money. And you can go over here and you can actually look at the DEX. You go to like DEX tools. You can see where the money's at. And right now it's actually at $1.37. Like, dude, that's super cheap. Sometimes this is around like $300-400. In the bull run, like last bull run, Ethereum was like $200-300. So just to make one transaction, if you want to move $1,000 from like Coinbase to your wallet, you'd pay like $200-300 in gas. Now it's down to $1.52. So that's crazy to see, right? I agree, Austin. BlackRock isn't going to miss out. No, it's all about fees, dude. That's what screwed up Robinhood, dude. That's why I chuckled about Robinhood. Robinhood took forever to list SHIB, and when they finally listed, everyone was like, "Dude, like the SHIB mojo's over, dude." But if they would have listed SHIB like they did when they listed Dogecoin, they'd had so much more momentum over there because, again, they made so much fees off of Dogecoin and trading, and then they didn't take that risk when it came to they didn't take that risk when it came to SHIB, and they missed out on so much. And so I think about that all the time. Like, these people are not going to miss out on these ETFs. That's how they make their money. They make them off fees. They make them off transaction fees, dude. Kinda, yeah. I you know, we didn't get a lot of movement though on the listing for the BTFs or for the ETFs on Bitcoin either, and Ethereum. We didn't really get a lot of momentum on those either because, again, it's kind of like we know what's coming. Maybe the announcements are already baked in, and then when the money starts to flow in from the ETFs, we're going to actually start to prosper from that. That's kind of what it is. I think a lot of the ETF stuff it's been out there forever. We've been talking about ETFs for like 3 years. 2 years. I can go back and look at videos of me talking about it like 2 years ago, and now it's going to come to fruition. So kind of crazy how that all works. And I have no idea why I'm sitting here looking at Bone. Bone has gone down so much. Gosh dang. Watch out for Ethereum gas fees. Yeah, they could be a little rough, dude. 600 round trip from San Diego, couldn't resist. That's not bad. Thoughts of Hong Kong improving a few coins today? BTC Link and Ethereum, dude. That's great. I think Hong Kong's going to probably do a lot more. Robinhood's garbage. Yeah, they're a little rough, dude. Swiftcoin is an absolute tear. It's on an absolute tear. Yeah, Swift. What's his name was telling us about it. Well, a lot of people. I mean, I think I actually looked up Swift the other day. Right here, Swiftcoin. 79% last day. Gosh dang, yeah. This thing is tearing it up, dude. Over the last 7 days, up 200%. Yeah, kudos to you guys who got in on this one. Up 500% in the last month. So this is the Tim Shea. Tim Shea was obviously talking about this from a while back. Oh, let's see here. Oh, just got a green light from officially registered as a digital currency exchange provider. Oh, nice, dude. That's cool. That's cool, AJT. Kudos to Alchemy Pay, man. They've worked hard. They worked hard. You made a lot off Swiftcoin today. Hell yeah, dude. I love it. Thank you for being you and answering my question. Oh, Solo, no problem, man. No problem at all. I made a XRP 295 overnight dip. What do you think? I hope not. Well, I guess it's crazy. If it does hit a 295, I have another $10,000 buy order in at 295. Actually, it's 240. What did I say it was? Like 240 something. Do you see yourself still holding XRP in 2030? Yeah, I probably would. Yeah, for sure. I don't see why I wouldn't. Yeah, definitely think I would, Chris. I lived in Queen Anne for a few years. 10 years ago, Seattle used to be so much nicer. I hope they're giving downtown love again. Nah, they're not, Mike. It's still pretty bad. Queen Anne's still nice. Queen Anne Hills, nice area, dude. So yeah, it's not as nice as it used to be for sure. Price range for Ondo and Chainlink. I mean, they're gonna do good, dude. I definitely think that Chainlink's gonna definitely hit their all-time highs. So go up 100%. They're hitting around the 50 mark. Ondo's looking pretty good. I mean, their partnerships with Ripple will do well. ACH has been fun. No, that's good, dude. That's good. I'm happy that everyone's having fun, man. Making that money, dude. You can't miss. Sometimes you can't miss in these spaces, dude. The bull run is fun, man. You can make a lot of money in all these cryptos. You know what I mean? Also, I see other streamers comparing ETH to BTC, giving ETH negative sentiment. I think BTC is like gold. We'll have that volatility when ETH is more on the technology side. Yeah, to me, D5, it's always been that, dude. Like, I think, ETH was the first crypto to make a smart contract. You know what I mean? They are more technology sounded and again, I kind of feel like ETH lost its value when they went away from proof of work, right? They try to make it better by going to proof of stake. And I feel like it just took away all the momentum and everything that ETH was. The whole mining of ETH was badass, right? I love mining. I think the mining thing is great. That's why I know it sounds stupid and I'm not here to shield the project, but that's what always got me attracted to the pure chain and PureWallet and stuff like that, was because of the potential for the mining capabilities when they released the proof of authority blockchain. Like, I think there needs to be more mining cryptos. Like, Caspa's badass. Like, I like that kind of stuff. Litecoin still mineable, Dogecoin mineable, Bitcoin mineable. Like, I kind of like that old school decentralization where you can actually mine and do things. Like, and so when Ethereum went away from that, it kind of took a vibe away, right? It had a completely different vibe. Like, ETH I loved it. And then they went to proof of stake, and I feel like they just kind of killed it. That's just my personal opinion. And then it's super, and like I said, it's expensive, but yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. I like the mineable stuff, and I hope more cryptos come out and are mineable. Mining is what secures the blockchain. Mining is what makes it super secure. And when you don't have something that's mineable, it's less secure. So teach our own, though. Teach our own for sure on that. Austin, I have friends who work for large institutions. He found XRP is being considered to cross-border payments in UK. That's badass. I'm leaving my current company and getting out of my 401k, putting 70% in coins and savings 30%. All right, Logan. Kind of did what I did. Is XRP making any signs for a run? Over here, the day chart's down, which is fine. The 12 hours working its way down. That could show a little bit of some sell off here at the 12. But the 4 hours working its way back up. It's actually at the bottom, so we're going to hopefully work our way back up out of here. It's at the bottom here, so hopefully we start to work our way back up. We kind of, like I said, fill this fair value gap right here. We actually hit it up here. We bounce back down. So I'm hoping that our next one, we build back up into here and maybe actually have a nice solid candle in here to get to the next level. At least that's kind of what I'm hoping for, but we'll see what happens. Like I said, there is some negative news out there because they're saying that, Ripple, I think it comes tomorrow at what time? Yeah, unlocking on February 1st. 1 billion XRP is going to be unlocked on February 1st. So this is something that they're talking about here. Last time these things came out, they actually relocked them back up. So I think people are kind of on edge about where this is going to go tomorrow, because there is going to be 1 billion unlocked. Are they going to be sold? Are they going to be sent to the exchanges? What are we showing? You know what I mean? ACH only 207 million market cap. Yeah, I mean, again, if it got to 1 billion market cap, it'd be a 4x from where it's at right now. So yeah, that very well could happen. You know what I mean? That very well could happen. Don't discount it, man. ACH was a top 100 crypto for a long time. It was actually a top 50 crypto back in 2021. When I was buying ACH, this is crazy. When I was buying ACH, it was a top 100 crypto. It was probably top 50 when I was buying ACH back in 2021. So yeah, don't discount these. These projects have been around for a long time. ACH has been around for a long time. Alchemy Pay has been out there. They've been working, and it looks like, if they can get some deals going through on this bull market, they can actually, do good for themselves. So yeah, I wouldn't discount ACH at all. Because again, I buy ACH. I showed you guys, dude. I bought ACH from the very jump. I just, my money is so much in other things right now that I haven't moved out and bought other things, including that of ACH. So how does mining work on the PureWallet? Yeah, you'll mine through your phone, dude. You'll act as a validator, and you'll clear blocks through using your phone. Again, there's a whole paper out on how the Pure Chain is going to be mineable. You can go to the purechain.com. Purechain.com has everything you want. So purechain.com is actually out there right now. You can actually go to PureChain right now, and they have everything out there for you. So there's PureChain, and then there's PureWallet. So PureChain's already out here, and you can see PureWallet tokens on sale, and they got the whole series out here. You can learn about PureChain, everything that you want. I mean, this is a cool thing that they got going on here. What they're going to be, a proof of authority, which is a proof of authority squared, which is again a totally different kind of a blockchain. This is a brand new kind of blockchain out here. Zero knowledge roll-up technology with SAM Plus. SAM Plus is the mining right here. Optimized transaction mining timing and power the network. It reduces the energy needed to rush these things through. So, I mean, there's a lot of things. Read up on it, man. Like I said, I'm excited for it. I think that there's a lot of potential with it. The NS Lab is already working with the Korean military and the Korean government. So there's already kind of an in with a lot of things that they're doing. So that's what excites me about PureChain and excites me about PureWallet. So there you have my shill on it for the day. Can you explain what you mean by mining? So when you got to think, like, just like crypto, when you go and you mine blocks, you are mining for you're creating security for the blockchain. You're creating, you know what I mean? So these transactions are coming through, and you're mining to validate blocks, to validate transactions that are going through. And so when you do mining, you're basically creating a security network for the chain itself. Like, you, as a validator, when you're mining, you basically are like a validator for the blockchain. And when you have validators that are for the blockchain, they're actually there validating the transactions. And when you validate the transactions, that's where, I mean, like Riot and Mara and all those people that are out there that hold a ton of Bitcoin, and they're the largest mining companies. That's why we're saying that, like, the 6 largest mining companies got together, they could actually change the contract for Bitcoin. They could actually say, we're gonna actually mint more Bitcoin. So now there's no longer 19,000 whatever Bitcoin. Now we're going to say that there's 100 billion Bitcoin. They could manipulate it if they wanted to, which is kind of scary. I don't think it's going to happen, but they could do that. That's what happens when you have people out here validating. But it creates security for the blockchain. So mining is really cool. Like, just look up like crypto mining, and you'll be able to see a lot of things on it. ACH is doing work, but what are your thoughts on BlockV? I don't know anything about that, Ryan. And thanks so much for the $5. But yeah, I don't know anything about that, dude. I'll have to probably look that up. Block V. Yeah, we just looked at Swift coin. I just sold my Swift through a few bucks at it 4 days ago and made some money. Hell yeah, dude. How deep are you in PureWallet, Austin? Like, are you just putting a little investment in, or has it become a significant part of your portfolio? I put like, I think I put like $1,000 in on it. I think on Sunday I'm going to probably put like $5,000 in. The reason why I'm going to put money in on it is because I actually want to hold the PureWallet token. The reason why I want to hold it is because of the governance side of it. I told you guys I'm a decentralized maxi, and I worked on the wallet. I'm a believer of the wallet, and so again, maybe I'm biased. I'll tell you guys, like, I'm biased towards it because I worked on it. Right? I mean, would you not be biased towards the project you worked on? Again, I worked on the technology side of it, so doing the interface with them and trying to get them to have like the usability of it and stuff like that. And yeah, and so like I guess like you say I'm kind of biased towards it. I don't know why. I just went to fans thing here. But when you go down and you look at it, like, I like this kind of stuff. This is what decentralization is to me. Like, so again, I'm a decentralized maxi. I like this kind of stuff. Again, not for everyone. This is not for everyone. I'm not saying that this is for everyone, because it's not. But like, I like the governance participation, being able to have being able to influence the future direction of the Pure Chain ecosystem and the PureWallet. Like, that kind of stuff I dig. You know what I mean? I like the mining opportunities and the smart mining capability. Like, I like that kind of stuff. And then again, if you're using it, having the transaction fees and all that kind of stuff, like, that's the kind of stuff I like. So to each our own. But yeah, I'll probably, like I said, I'll probably buy like 5,000 on Sunday, and I might even add more down the road, right? So as I get some more money coming in, I'll probably buy some more. I think tokenized assets to send XRP through the roof. I think it will too. The Pure Chain token is not out, so the Pure Chain token probably won't be out here until, I don't know exactly. I think they're setting it for. So this token also gets you rights for the upcoming Pure Chain private sale. It's set for Q4 2025. So among the first to participate before. So that's kind of cool. Plus, it'll allow you to get into other projects too, not just Pure Chain. So there's other things that the Pure Wallet can do. But yeah, it's going to be around Q4 2025. So I don't know. Like I said, it brings a whole new perspective, and there'll be more coming out on it for sure. Tangent's legit. I use Tangent, no complaints. Yeah. Like I said, another reason why I like the Pure Wallet is because, again, it does create that cold storage on your phone, which, again, I think a lot of us like, I personally I want that. I also think it's important to have like I think you should diversify your wallets. Like, it's okay to have a Tangent. It's okay to have a Ledger. It's okay to diversify and have things in different areas. Like, don't always put all your things in one basket, even though I have a lot of my assets here on Ledger. But I mean, that's just, again, something you should probably do. I should probably move this over to another one. Again, Pure Wallet, Tangent, something like that as well. You could do how about SafePal, Ian? I use SafePal. That's where right here, SafePal extension is what I've used. So again, you can go over here and use SafePal if you'd like. So there's that as well. SafePal is one of them. Oops, let's go SafePal. So yeah, SafePal is definitely one of them. Or you could use, like I said, yeah, there's MetaMask. You could use Trust Wallet. You could use any of them. You can go up here into any of these wallets, dude. Just go over disconnect. You can go to all wallets right here, and you can search up the wallet that's best for you. I mean, they got Trust Wallet. I mean, I heard that there's Ledger Live on here. I didn't realize there was Ledger on here, which is kind of crazy. So Ledger, you can do Ledger. Yeah, Ledger Live right here. You could do, I think someone said Exodus Wallet. I wonder if you can use AuzSOME Wallet. No, you can't use AuzSOME Wallet. So yeah, you just have to search up the wallets. There's all wallets here. There's roughly like 411 wallets that you can connect. 410 plus wallets that you can connect. So yeah. What do you think about Fireblocks? I don't know if I know anything about it. Yeah, I agree with Austin. Got many wallets. Yeah, you should have definitely a lot of wallets. All right, Mike, take it easy, buddy. And will PureWallet be usable in New York City? Yeah, I think you could download it right now. You can actually click on the App Store. It's in testnet, so do not send any money to it. It's in testnet. On Monday, I'm hoping that it comes out to mainnet, which then you'll be able to send your money over to, and you'll be able to buy cold storage. You'll be able to actually officially be able to purchase the cold storage on Monday, I'm hoping, when this actually comes out to mainnet. So that's kind of cool as well. I know to say, again, I have to say, I know you're a good person. Sola, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, H bar short term. I mean, H bar I feel is going to do really well. Short term, I think they're going to continue to trade sideways. I think a lot of cryptos here are going to trade sideways for the next. I told you guys my ticker right here. Maybe I'll put a line down here too. We'll do a horizontal line. Oops, that's not what I want. I want a vertical line. Sorry, vertical line. Where's my verticals? And we're going to put it right here. That's going to be where I put it. Let's do it. Let's make it white. So that's kind of where the time frame is going to be. Again, that's not going to be up to. That's not going to. You have to sort of monitor this, but I mean, that's roughly the same time frame that we had on the previous run right here. It's about almost 30 days, give or take. So that's kind of where this is at right now from the last high. They don't always hit on the same time frame, but I mean, that's kind of where we're at in terms of ticks. I swear I got excited. Austin reached out. Oh yeah, be careful. That's probably not me, dude. Yeah, please be careful. Yeah, please be careful. But yeah, no, I think PureWallet's gonna. I mean, I'm excited for it. Yeah, hell yeah, I'm excited for it. I'm not gonna front that at all. I mean, would you be excited for a project you worked on, like actual technology, not like just like a token, like just launching a token. I'm talking like technology, like real technology. I think you guys would all be pretty excited for it if you worked on it. Yeah, they're always keeping it real, man. Enjoy your channel. Oh, appreciate that, Mahai. So it already accepts XRP. They're working on HBAR. They're hoping that HBAR gets added to the cold storage and to the offline side of it here in 2 weeks. So XRP is already on there. Then you got HBAR, and then XLM will be after that. So, and then obviously it'll have Solana and those kind of things as well. Tangem can be totally disconnected with no key. Yeah, that's good. That is a good thing. With no key, you have to have a I thought with Tangem you had to have a card, right? Didn't you have to have a device to actually use it? Wasn't it like a credit card? I think someone was saying a credit card or a ring, right? I already got the PureWallet just because you worked on it. I appreciate that. Yeah, again, and again, these are, don't get me wrong, this is still a project. There's still risk involved here. This is a crypto project. I'm not saying it's gonna like be the next best thing since sliced bread. Like, this is still a crypto project. So just take that with a grain of salt too. Like, I just am excited for the technology behind it. I think there's a lot to do with the tech. So I use Exodus. It's super easy and I like it a lot. Okay. Yeah. And someone actually used Exodus on here. So dude, Adam, thanks so much for the $5, dude. It's one of these weeks for me where none of my different crypto assets moved. Might as well donate. Well, I appreciate you, Adam. Thanks so much, man, for the $5. And yeah, I think a lot of mine were, ups and downs too. I didn't make too many moves. I did make a pretty big move with my H bar, and a lot of those are actually doing okay. Again, I'm kind of holding through right now. I mean, some of them I'm up in the green on a lot. Everything I bought on the dips, I'm definitely up on. So that's kind of nice. So we'll continue to monitor it. And again, I appreciate that, Adam. Sounds like that will be my cold and hot wallet then. And offline. Don't forget, it's an offline too. It's 3 wallets: offline, hot wallet, cold wallet. Offline means that you can actually send transactions in an offline setting. And when you send them in an offline setting, you don't pay any gas fees. So that's another cool feature of this. And plus, you can't be tracked. So, it gets into an offline setting. You can actually get tracked on your wallet, which is which is really, really big for decentralization, is not getting tracked. But yeah, maximum cost right here. You can see no gas fees. By utilizing the offline token system, PureWallet eliminates gas fees for offline transactions. So you could send this to 1,000 times to 1,000 different wallets in the offline setting, and you wouldn't pay a single gas fee for it, and it'd be super fast. Yeah, you have to have a ring. Okay. Yeah, but it doesn't need a key. It's optional. Oh, you can choose not to have a key on it. Gotcha. Yeah, it is, dude. It is 100%. I have an Exodus wallet as well, and it's very easy to use. Okay. It doesn't have the Thor chain on there. Gotcha. Yeah, a lot of people here hold algo. Awesome. Do you foresee the tariffs causing crypto to go down tomorrow? I don't think so, dude. I think the tariffs are actually positive for crypto. And the reason why I say that is because, again, crypto is a global thing. It's not like the US economy or anything like that. It's global. And so Bitcoin being decentralized, I think that even countries are going to, hedge against the US dollar in the trade wars using Bitcoin and other cryptos. So I think that it actually can be beneficial. So you're confused with offline. So So good question. Offline is a new technology. So offline this is why PureWallet's badass. I'm gonna be honest with you. This is why I love about it. So not just the cold storage on it, but the offline capabilities of it. One thing that really sucks, and anyone here can attest to this, that's been in decentralization, is that people will track your wallets. So whales out there, look at Whale Watcher is going to go out of business with a pure wallet, and the reason why is because when you move it into an offline setting, it's no longer attached to the Ethereum blockchain. So like let's just say that you take Ethereum, okay? What you're doing is you're taking Ethereum and you're taking it off the Ethereum blockchain onto the pure chain on an offline token that has been created, okay? And that offline token is a 1-for-1 value with whatever you move over. So if you move 1 ETH over here, now you have moved it over into an offline token at a 1-for-1 value. So it's not like that's going to change. It's still a 1-for-1 value of ETH, right? And so even when you move it across, that ETH is still going to be accounted for because you've said that now this offline token is 1 ETH, okay? But it's in an offline set, so it's no longer on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you go to Etherscan, like here, if I wanted to go check, so like let's just say that this guy, we can actually go follow someone. Let's actually go follow Well real quick. I could literally find someone here on Etherscan, and I can go, okay, I want to actually. I used to go whale watching. Some of you guys have been here for a long time. We used to go whale watching. You guys remember that? Who remembers going whale watching on the channel? That was a long time ago. We'd go try to find whales wallets and track where they would go so we could buy. We could track where they were buying. And again, I always say follow the whales. So long story short here, what you want to do is you want to go in here and you want to find a wallet, okay? And you're going to go, okay, I want to see how much these people own. And this is probably going to be harder to find here. Let's go back. So you go to holders, you go to Etherscan, you go to holders, and let's go try to find, this holder right here holds 123,000 bone. So you can actually go over here and you can see their transactions of where they went. You can see their everything like that. So we can actually follow through token transfers. So they have, they definitely have been holding this for a long time. Dude, that's crazy. They actually bought a ton of this. And you can actually now go see where they're actually moving this from. And you can click on their transactions and where they were going. It's been a while since I've done this, but you can track people's wallets. Okay. So you can actually see where they're sending money and everything like that. And so some people don't want their wallets tracked. And so moving into an offline setting allows you to not be tracked, allows you to not be, to not actually be able to see where your money's going. Like you can see all these transactions. So now you can see where this person's spending their money, right? Let's go here. Token transfers. So you can see this person's bought Roaring Kitty. He's bought, he's bought some other crazy random ones here that are just like complete degen plays. He's bought Realo Network. He's bought all these weird things, right? And you can go and look at all these. You can view all the transactions that this person's purchased on here over the course of the life of this wallet. Nako Cat, Bone, all these weird Phantom. He bought Phantom Token. He bought Gala, Decentralized. He bought Mana. And so what happens is you move this off of the Ethereum blockchain into an offline token, and now you won't be able to see where that money went. You won't be able to track where that money went. Here you can actually track where people's money went. Like you can actually see where they went. So, and then he can move it into another wallet, bring it back online, and you can no longer see where that transaction happened. So it's no different than them flushing it through a centralized exchange. You could send $100,000 to a centralized exchange from a cold wallet and then move that $100,000 from the centralized exchange back into a new wallet, and no one can actually track that. But people don't want to put their money back on a centralized exchange from government purposes, whatever their decision is, and they want to keep it on the decentralized side. But they don't want their money being tracked. And so that's where Tornado Cash came in, and Tornado Cash, literally killed the space. Like, I mean, they blew up in the space because people were moving their money across Tornado Cash. But then they sanctioned Tornado Cash, said it was, all this kind of stuff. But now they came back out and said that wasn't, that's no longer sanctioned. But that's kind of where it's at, dude. In a scheme of things, that's kind of what it is. It's bad. I think it's kind of cool. This is Austin Secret Degen. He hides from the A team, 100%. I could peek inside your brain. It's would most probably make my head spin. I spent a lot of time doing it. So it's offline setting just with PureWallet or Ledger 2, just with PureWallet, dude. That's what they're patented. They have patented technology with that, dude. So yeah. Nightmare, thanks so much for the $1 donation, man. Appreciate the hell out of that, dude. Can I buy PureWallet token with ETH, but it wants me to do what the blind Wants me to do it with the blind sign. I'm not sure what means when I'm so okay. I can buy PureWallet with ETH, but it wants me to do it with a blind sign. What do you mean a blind sign? What does that mean, Jacob? How safe is the wallet if your phone is either lost or stolen? You still have to go in there, still put a 2FA, right, Jeff? So you still got to go through. It has a password, and you got to go through a 2FA, whether it's from your thumb or your face scan, to get in there. And then if you lose your phone, you just go get the new phone. You download the PureWallet app, and then you put your seed phrase in there, and everything comes back. Your cold storage comes back, your hot wallet comes back, and your offline storage comes back. So and your offline wallet. So everything comes back. Plus, you don't have to wait 7 to 10 days. So, dude, during the bear market, this took 14 days. This took 14 to 21 days for you to get your ledger. When the exchanges were going down, and the exchanges were people were losing money on the exchanges, this was so hard to get. People were like, it took like 30 to like 45 days to get ledgers and tangibles and things like that. It was so hard to get. Where again, on an app, if you have a cold storage on an app, you can move your money over to it right away. Download it, get it going right away. On behalf of Austin, all the maxis, on behalf of all the Austin maxis, let's effing go. Appreciate you, Caesar. Thanks so much for the $2, man. I appreciate that a ton. Thank you, man. You can have your phone wiped remotely with Find My Phone, and that's fine. You just still download, as long as you have the seed phrase, just like any other wallet out there. As long as you have the seed phrase, you can upload it anywhere you want, right? Anywhere you want, you can actually upload it. So yeah, it's kind of a cool scenario when you think about it. So new hour just started. 8 o'clock just hit over here Pacific Standard Time. We're actually starting to build back out of here. Hopefully we build up here with a nice little green candle. So yeah, how do you get your money from cold wallet to the bank? You still have to move it. Yeah, at that point, you still have to move it to a centralized exchange, right? There's no, well, I guess some states allow you to off ramp. They actually allow you to off ramp. Like I think Australia allows you to off ramp from a wallet to a bank. So I knew the PureWallet works with Transact, which is a third-party API in here where you can actually buy crypto on the wallet, and you can offload crypto into a bank account through Transact. Here in the United States, though, you can't actually use Transact as an off ramp. You can't off ramp from a decentralized wallet into a bank here in the United States, but other countries you can. I can't believe I got airdropped a coin on my birthday and it's 3,000%. Yeah, do not touch, dude. Please don't touch that. That's probably like some scam, bro. No, it should start at 0. It should start wherever this thing goes. I mean, technically, like it's right now, it's it should be above 4 cents, right? I mean, as this thing continues to go up, it's gonna, it should be worth more and more and more, right? Because people are buying into it. People are buying into the pre-sale, and so the token's gonna go up in price at each level, right? Do you see PureWallet token being sold on exchanges like Coinbase in the future? That's kind of the end goal, yeah. Aragon Lionheart. I hope I said that right. I mean, yeah, that's your goal, is to get on some top tier exchanges. I mean, I definitely don't think low tier exchanges are trash, right? Bitmart, LBank, MEXC, all these low tier exchanges, I wouldn't touch. One thing I've realized is that a lot of them are scammy, dude. You pay a lot of money to get on these exchanges, and they're not worth it, dude. You have to pay the liquidity to it. You pay a high fee to get on there. It's just not worth it, dude. It's all fake. It's all smoke and mirrors. But like the larger exchanges, like, I mean, you can go look at the exchanges if you want. A lot of these large exchanges are kind of worth it. You know what I mean? Like a Binance, a Bybit, a Coinbase, OKX, Upbit, BitGet, Kraken, and KuCoin. I mean, those are probably like your main areas here. And Crypto.com is a good one. But everything else is kind of just smoke and mirrors, dude. And yeah, I don't think I'd touch them, to be honest with you. Maybe OKX, maybe. But yeah, your whole goal is to get on the top ones, the top 3, right? Coinbase, Bybit, Binance, Crypto.com, Kraken. Those are kind of the ones that you really, really should work towards. And so I think if you're a utility token, I think if that's your goal, I think you have a lot better chance of that to get onto these top tier exchanges. So we're actually about to build back of here. Those are the most adorable green baby candles. Yeah, look at the little tiny things right here. We're building back, dude. We're building back better. I should buy XRP now. 15 Ethereum. Anyone thoughts on Apple? I don't know. Yeah, please don't. Yeah, don't accept the airdrops. Is there market manipulation? Yeah, probably. How do you feel about adding gold to your portfolio? I don't know. Is Webull scammy? I don't use Webull, dude. Yes, you can trust me for your financial advisor. Anyone know why I can't deposit USD on Binance? Well, I think Binance is shut off for. I don't think they accept USD, do they? Or I don't, it depends on where you're at, Marty. Like here in Washington, I can't use Binance. I can't even use Binance.us. Yeah, MXC is okay. MXC is okay. But again, what happens when you stick a lot of these newer cryptos on there is they get shorted, dude. And when they get shorted, the price goes down because people know that they're new and things like that. So you have to be very careful with the MEXC thing. Anyone else having issues with Binance? I can't use it. I couldn't test it for you, bro. I'm also a fortune teller. Damn. All right. So I guess tell me, James, is PureWallet token going to do well? It's 5 a.m. in Italy. What happened in the markets last night? Thanks for your insight. Oh, Crypto Zeno. Well, we had tariffs coming in, so the United States kind of flipped the script here. So tomorrow, or I guess today, your time, we're going to have tariffs hitting Mexico, Canada, and China. So that's interesting. XRP is going to be releasing about 1 billion tokens tomorrow. So people are all weary about that. So we'll see how that plays out. So yeah. 3637 B Miller. Let's see. XLM. Yeah, I still have mine down here at 30. Yeah, I still have my areas down here. And that's probably where I'll stick to right now. It hasn't really shown me any reason. I mean, it'd be nice if we continue to build at this 0.5 right here on the fib. It would be nice. XLM has shown a lot of strength in that, which is nice. I want HBAR to get up here to the 0.5 as well. That would be nice. Right up here to this 33. See where the volume is right here? There's right down here is 31. And if you zoom in just a little bit, we'll make this a little bigger here. You can see this 0.5 would be a really nice area. You can see there's going to be a level of support right here at 33. Or sorry, resistance right here. So hovering around this area would be nice. If it hits $10. Is that what he said? Who wants gifted? I own 2.5 XRP. When and where Pure token? What's the details? Oh, Alan, there's a pre-sale. We're talking about a pre-sale, bro. Right here, you can go in and connect your wallet. It's right now it's ETH. I think it's just ETH right now. And you can go in here and you can buy it. And yeah, I'll put the links in my description box. I put it in there. If you guys want to check it out, definitely check it out. This is still, again, this is a crypto project. It's still a risk. You still got to do your own research on it. Although I worked on the tech, the token's completely different than the tech, right? This is a token that's going to be inserted in the wallet. So just realize that, okay? Sweet, thanks, no problem. Yeah, definitely take a look at it. Like I said, I'm probably going to be, I'm going to free up some capital on Sunday. Probably transfer some ETH over. And I'm probably going to buy, like I said, I'm probably going to put like 5,000 into before this expires in 2 days. I did buy like 1,000 at the 4 cent mark. This is at 431. So it's gone up from 4 cents to 431, and this will just continue to climb up. I don't know when they're going to stop it, but yeah. Can you please give me your honest opinion? I know you want a future. I know March 10 bucks are switching to ISOs. You think it will be delayed? No, I don't think it's going to be delayed. Yeah, dude, the trading volume is huge, William. I'll give you that. Rito Burrito, dude, thanks so much for the 5 gifted memberships. I almost missed that. Thank you so much. If Rito Burrito gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Rito Burrito. Dude, that's awesome. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A team. Appreciate that a ton. Because they have to upload. It's in testnet, Arugula. It's in testnet. So mainnet will come out on Monday. Hopefully on Monday, testnet will come out. And when testnet comes out, it's going to be fully on. So in some areas here, they were using the 1-inch exchange. If you guys don't know, 1-inch exchange is a decentralized exchange out there. You can actually see 1-inch exchange actually is a pretty good exchange, but it's restricted here. In the 1-inch got restricted here in the United States, if you guys don't know that. But it used to be on MetaMask. So 1-inch. Actually, I think it's 1-inch. Yeah, 1-inch network right here used to be a really popular network, a decentralized network here. And it used to do really back in the day. This thing was popping. It's basically like a Uniswap, like a Jupiter, Uniswap, that kind of stuff. Definitely fell down pretty hot. This thing is all-time high was up at $6. It's down to 30 cents right now, 80% down. But this actually got restricted here in the United States. I don't think you can actually use it. So they'll be changing that up there with another exchange, I think. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Thanks for yeah, that's awesome. Why does that's why it says that. Thanks for your answering that. I was worried they might. Oh, yeah, no problem. Hey, will I be a millionaire next week with my 2.5 XRP? I bought it at 340. I hope so, James. I hope so. I hope you are. I hope so, dude. You have to get to that. You have to get to you'll have to go a lot higher than that. You'll have to bounce a lot higher than that. Definitely will. Definitely will. We'll see. Yeah, it's crazy going to February 1st, dude. February 1st is going to be interesting. Trading volume is currently higher. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. It's the trading volume's that high. That's pretty good. The trading volume's that high. Let's go back over here. Yeah, ACH is doing pretty good. Let's go down here. Yeah, it's coming back down. You can see, look at the fair value gaps it's left open, dude. I mean, it'll probably come down to like the 4.2. I mean, look at that level of support right here. The 3.6 is a big level of support. 3.6, anywhere from the 3.8 to the 3.6. So I mean, if it comes back down, if it starts to come back down, this is probably the level it's going to hit right here. There's a lot of buys coming in right here at this level, at the 3.8 level. So, which again is, I think, where we were looking at it yesterday, right? Was it yesterday we were looking at this? Nope. Yeah, it was like right here. I think we were looking at it like right here yesterday sometime. So yeah, ACH is doing well. How does an exchange get shut down like that? I love Binance. Just because that much pull. I mean, the whole Paxos thing and CZ going to jail, and yeah, it's kind of crazy, dude. To be honest with you, it's kind of nuts. What, your daughter's watching the videos? That's awesome. Austin, you think we were have a typical red weekend? We could slightly dip into it a little bit. There could be some negativity coming up here, especially with XRP. You have 1 billion tokens that are coming in, so that could very well happen. She's impressed with the sub account. When is XRP adding the billion? Tomorrow. They're releasing from I think 100. I think tomorrow. So, or today, depending on where you're at. So you're getting smoked by HBAR. Austin, when will they release how many tokens? 1 billion tomorrow morning, I think. So yeah. Why would you think of EU opposing Bitcoin? I don't know why. You need the shirt that says "Buy the dip before the rip" with your ginger beard on it. Yeah, that's pretty funny. Will crypto look good in February, in your opinion? I think so. Yeah, crypto's in. I think it's going to do well. I mean, history has shown that it does well. I might have missed the XRP thing. What is going on? Oh, they're dropping. They're doing right here. So 1 billion XRP tokens unlocking February 1st. What do you need to know? It says if you're holding XRP, mark the calendar February 1st, just around the corner. Ripple is preparing to unlock 1 billion XRP from escrow, a move that often sparks intense conversation. Oh, yeah, conversation and price action. Ripple following month schedule. It says typically a large chunk of these tokens are re-escrowed, which help the circulating supply. So I would assume that right now with everything going on, if it gets re-escrowed, we're probably gonna have a nice little rally tomorrow. So at least that's what I hope for. Since you're caught up with the chat, how's the soccer been besides this the sick cycle? Dude, it's actually been good. My daughters had a really good practice yesterday. They got sick yesterday after practice. I mean, the fever went overnight, but they went out there and tore it up, dude. Both of them did really, really well. And yeah, like I said, I think that their footwork's getting really, really good. I like it. Austin, are you selling your swing before the token release? No, I'm gonna hold, dude. I'm gonna gamble a little bit to Rebecca. I'm a little degenerate tonight. I'm so degenerate that I pulled up charts that I never would pull up. That's how degen I went tonight. I mean, I pulled up Temu, dude. I should have waited till they offered me another $100 to do that. Damn it. Correct. 80% goes back into reserves. Don't mark your calendar because buying and holding always works. Not following the news. 100%. I'm not selling. I'm gonna. Yeah. There's no way. Like this is. They're gonna probably re-escrow it like they always do. So. Hey, you never know, Jen, right? You never know. I definitely have another $10,000 buy order. I think I'm gonna move down to 292. I think is where I was gonna buy it. Just to put me in as a nice little DCA if something does come down. But I think, or no, what was I? Let me look at it real quick. I think it was gonna be. Oh, let's go to the 12 hours working its way. Yeah, 4 hours doing okay. I think I was gonna do probably 295. I think, or maybe it was like right here. It's 291. I think is where I wanted to be. 291 or 292, right above the fair value gap. Yeah, it was like 292. I think I'm gonna split this right here in the 382 level. You can see we've touched this a couple times at the 392 level. So that's probably where I'll put my 392 is where I'll put a nice little $10,000 buy order in tomorrow if it comes down and hits that. Give me a nice little DCA in the middle of the night. Hey, Austin, been buying, releasing 1 billion. Buying them, releasing 1 billion. That might mean that will affect the price negatively, but I don't think it's going to hurt it. Oh, he's in. Oh, I appreciate that. Yeah, no, he's in soccer. That's cool, dude. How old's your son, Nightmare, again? They'll win the championship. Yeah, if they hit $10, we all win. We all win the championships then. End of the month. I said I think by the end of the month, I said probably going into March. For this one, I think I said what did I say, guys? What did I say? I think 380, anywhere from 385 to 450, somewhere in this ballpark. I'm hoping that's what I'm hoping for. So to buy the PureWallet, first get a wallet like SafePal, then buy ETH, then use ETH to buy PureWallet tokens. That is correct, Chris. That's the best way to do it. Yes, that is the correct way to do it. And sometimes, like I said, you'll have to. Sometimes, like SafePal, sometimes it's funky to where inside PureWallet you'll have to copy and paste. You'll have to like go up to PureWallet.ai right here, and then go into the browser function inside SafePal and copy and paste that in there, and then it'll open up inside the wallet. I think Austin is way too conservative, man. XRP is going to go much higher. Yeah, those are just areas, right? If it does more than that, dude, like trust me, I'll be super excited for it. But when you're looking at this, you gotta look at it from both sides. You gotta play the risk factors in there. XRP end of month anywhere from between 640 and 750. Oh, you think so, RS Miller? Okay. Well, we marked it, dude. We'll mark it. I have $7 in that on there. You can see I do have the $7 in there right there. So you can see that those are my long terms, but I'm saying short term, it's right here. Now, if XRP comes out, or sorry, if the ETFs come out, we're rocking, dude. We're rocking and rolling. XRP hasn't moved in over a month. Don't get it. Well, no, it did. It moved. You can see right here. We rallied. I mean, we rallied up here. We took a month to create this nice little form here, and then we went up basically for like almost 4 days, 4 days in January. And then now it's kind of sitting flat again. And we'll probably do the same thing. We'll probably go all month to about roughly the 13th of February and rally again. He gave me $10 more tonight. Said, Dad, this time I can only buy 3 XRP. Oh, that's badass. Hey, Jay, no problem, man. Appreciate you being here. You need to own both XLM and HBAR, in my opinion. Oh yeah, dude. I own all 3: HBAR, XLM, and XRP. Swiftcoin did a fast sell Swiftcoin move, and how fast Bitcoin moved. How fast did Swiftcoin move, and how fast did Bitcoin move when released? Oh, that's tough. I don't know. XRP is solidifying positions. Yeah. Yeah, XRP definitely moved. I mean, it went up like 40, 45, 43%. I think that's what it went, right? We hit this bottom down here. Yeah, 70% went up 68%. I mean, now still, even if you bought down at the bottom down here at this $2 mark, you're up roughly almost 50% in a month. That's ridiculous. That's really good. Dude, hell yeah, Renee. That's badass. 200% on Swiftcoin. That's awesome. Chainlink looks like a beast. Yeah, Chainlink's great right now. H bar pumping right now. It's definitely not. You're funny. Chainlink is probably a little bit of a juggernaut. I think it's going to do well. Altcoin season hasn't even launched off soon. It'll be okay, guys. Yeah, it's we're kind of, I mean, ETH is kind of like still struggling a little bit, which is kind of crazy. You think that the ETH would be in a little bit better of a position than it is right now. It hasn't even hit all-time highs yet, which is crazy to me. Like, I thought this would be way past all-time highs. But again, back here, this was still proof of work. This is all proof of stake right now. So a lot different than it was now. So just realize that. So yeah, a lot different. It's so yeah, we'll see how that all works out. Oh man. Austin, your technicals are really good. Have you ever tried Forex? No, I haven't. I have not. I know a lot of people out here actually like Forex, but I never used it. I had a company hit me up. To do some kind of like partnership with them for going on exchanges. But that the whole thing is to like get your followers to go over there and like utilize their exchange and do all their spot trading over there. And that's just not me, dude. Like, dude, trade where you think is best, where you get the best fees. You know what I mean? Yeah, he did. They partnered with so Ripple did partner with Chainlink. That's another one of those. Austin, you think with more regulation, crypto will be more stocks, and there won't be a bear market? No, I don't think that's necessarily the case. I mean, I do think that they kind of already kind of lean towards like being an investment. You're investing in some kind of. I think a lot of cryptos are commodities. They're not necessarily stocks or securities. So that's kind of my belief, is that you're investing in a commodity, which again I think is a lot different than investing in a stock. So there'll definitely be a bear market for sure. You think a bloodbath going to start tomorrow? We'll see. Retail sitting on sidelines. What's it going to take for them to get interested again? ETFs. ETFs are big, Elliot. Reason why is because people don't want to go through the hassles of exchanges. They don't want to go through the hassles of being a custodian of their. They don't want to be a custodian, their own custodian. They don't want to be holding on to their keys. They don't want to be holding on to everything else. They want it to be easy, and if you make it easy for people, the more people will jump into it. So that's kind of where I'm at. Every YouTuber pushing BTCC, which makes me think it's a scam. A lot of people are talking about BTCC. I have no idea what the hell that is. We had another person talking about it, dude. I don't even know what the heck BTCC is. What is BTCC? Is that the BitTorrent? Is that what it is? The BitTorrent thing? If I had to remember, I think that's what it was, but I have to look. Is it BitTorrent? Again, that's been out for a long time, and yeah. BTCC. What is BT? What is it again? BTCC. Yeah, BTCC. I don't know what the hell it is, dude. What is BTCC? Ordered my Ledger Flex 2 weeks ago. Still hasn't shipped. Dude, that's crazy, bro. It's a trading platform. BTC is clunky as hell. I don't know what BTCC is. What is BTCC? Oh, trading on BTCC now. Oh, it's a crypto platform. Gotcha. BTC is an exchange. Okay. Yeah, I probably wouldn't touch it then, dude. I don't know, man. A lot of these exchanges are dangerous, bro. I don't touch a lot of these exchanges, dude. I never heard of BCCC. I think another platform or exchange. The company that hit me up was called. I'll tell you guys. Hold on a second. Who was it? It was. Damn, where the hell is it? I don't even know. Oh, maybe it was on Telegram. I don't know actually where it was. Oh, right here. What is it? What is it? Bitnext or something like that? Bitnext.com? I don't even know what the hell it's called. I can't even pronounce half this stuff. This site right here. They were the ones that hit me up. I was like, I'm good. I don't know however you say that. Bit new. I don't even know how to say that. Anyone see the One Key Pro looks like? I have not seen that. Yeah, it'd be nice. BTC is not a scam. Okay. Yeah, I don't know anything. There's a lot of exchanges out there. Like I said, just be careful of the exchanges you're on. You just never know. You know, I mean, people love Uphold, and I'm not a big Uphold person. So, Bit Unix. Okay, that's how you say it. Bit Unix. Okay. Yeah, I've been using it for a while. No issues. You've been using BTCC, Devin? I have no idea. I don't know anything about BTC. Anyone here like Bitnuix? I don't know. And do you trust Robinhood? That's true, right? No, I do not. Robinhood, man, Uphold is trash. It's a here we go. 4 hours are looking good. Let's see. Our next 4 hours at midnight. So we just hit a 4 hour here at 8 o'clock. Next one is going to be at 12. So yeah, well, hopefully we continue to build up out of here, get back into this fair value gap right here. I think Ledger is flooded with orders, so taking longer than usual. Oh, they pushed the Bit Unix cohort. Is that okay? So they work with them too. Okay. Sorry, I missed that 1 billion XRP. Yeah, it's coming out. I think tomorrow morning we'll see probably. Hey, just a heads up for the new people. A few years ago when I got into crypto, I owned 35K XRP. Then on X, I fell for a scammer called. He has over 15 accounts and targets new people. So 95. Oh my God, Illuminati. Seriously, that's crazy. Yeah, I wish I could use Kraken. I can't use Kraken. Oz, when I sell on Uphold, I get my money in seconds. I've never sold an extra Coinbase. How does it go? Yeah, you get it pretty fast, bro. It takes about a day to get it to your bank account. Oh, you can't use any. Okay, interesting. I use Coinbase, Renee. I'm in Washington State, so we can only use 2 exchanges here. We've been sort of cut off at the knee. That's probably why I'm a little bit of a decentralized maxi, because I freaking our state kind of just corrals us, dude. So we can only use Coinbase and crypto.com. Can't use Binance.us. Can't use Binance. Can't use Kraken. Can't use Gemini. Can't use really. I can only literally use Coinbase and freaking crypto.com. And every time I go to transfer money to crypto.com, my bank flags it as fraud. So it's kind of a catch-22. Sam Tran, what's up, buddy? I've tried to get into the chat, even paid $2. Still don't think it went through. I haven't seen it, Jacob. Sorry, man. I haven't seen it. All exchanges have high fees. Hopefully the new laws will stop that. That's why going over to the decentralized side, people want to trade on the decentralized side, because you can actually change the fees. So are you in Cali? No, I'm in Washington, bro. Seattle, Washington, Greater Seattle, Washington area. Why can't you use Kraken? I don't know. They just said I can't use it. It's restricted in my area. So yeah, kind of lame. Half a hop of music. Yeah, I'm yeah, that's kind of what it is. I don't trust Coinbase. I mean, dude, they made it through. They're one of the longest exchanges out there, dude. They've been around the longest. So, they made it through all the ups and downs. You can't be too disappointed. No, the VPN doesn't work. They require you, when you use it, you have to give them access to your app, your actual physical location. That's another one. We used to be able to use MEXC, and now we can't use MEXC either. I liked MEXC. MEXC was actually really, because a lot of the shit coins would go over there and we'd short them. That was like 3-4 years ago. But then they took away MEXC as well. Oh, you graduated from Federal Way? Nice, dude. Federal Way is, it's honestly, Federal Way is still, it's not the best area. I'm going to be honest, James. Seattle born and raised? Heck yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Seattle born and raised. Pacific Northwest. Yeah, buddy. What's up, Austin? What's up, Chris A? Good to see you, man. Yeah, it kind of sucks. They kind of pin you like that. We can't even use DraftKings. We can't use anything, dude. Can't use KuCoin. We used to be able to use KuCoin, Illuminati. We can't use KuCoin either, dude. I swear to God, only thing we can use. I don't want to swear. I swear that the only thing we can use is we can use Uphold. I forgot that back. We can actually use Uphold. We can use Coinbase and Crypto.com. I mean, obviously I root for the Seahawks, you know, but I'm a player. When you play fantasy football, dude, you just root for players. That's one thing over the years, man. I root for players. So I mean, obviously I want the home team to do well, but if they don't, it's like whatever. KuCoin's getting shut down. Yeah. Bro, I was in Seattle and we got lost driving around and we saw hundreds of yeah, you probably got lost in like downtown, you got lost on like Pacific Ave. That's where you got the gambler. Yeah, that's where you got. You got lost in like Pacific Ave, bro. That's a good question. I've never heard of that, B Miller. The biscuit. I never heard of that one. The biscuit bitch. I never heard of that. Nothing special about Kraken. I mean, some people just like it. I grew up in Canada. What's up? What's up, Manny Plays the? I did not. Even though I love Canada, we went up there and visited friends in Canada. I kind of like it a lot. I was from Kingston. Oh wow, you lived in Kingston, right? Arsmill, Kingston. I really love how you guys in states don't have to pay taxes on American crypto. Dude, we do pay. We have to pay taxes. We pay capital gains. I tried to buy the PureWallet with the Ledger Flex. It says have to blind sign, which means the contract can't be displayed. So basically, sign at your own risk, losing all assets. Yeah, that's kind of you have to do that on because again, it's an unrecognized asset by the ledger, so it's telling you that. No different than when Uniswap, when you go and you buy if you go I'll just give you an example. I'm not going to buy it, but I'll give you an example here. So let's just take we'll go to new pairs right here, live new pairs, and we'll say like, oh, this new one just launched right here. It's called Deep Waters. So we'll click on Deep Waters. Okay, it's been all this kind of stuff. It's not a honeypot. I have no idea what it is. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to I really want to buy this, copy address. We go up here. We're going to go, okay, let's go to Uniswap now. So I'm going to go to Uniswap, uniswap.org. And then I'm going to connect my wallet. Let's connect my MetaMask. It's going to ask me to connect. I'm going to connect. So now I got ETH over here. My ETH pops up. I'm going to go down, select the token. I'm going to paste it. Boom. And it shows up right here, Deep Waters. But look right here. It says, always do your research. Deep Waters isn't traded on a leading U.S. centralized exchange. This is basically like the sign thing here. So you have to say, do not show me this warning. You have to click on this to say, okay, continue. Because it's like a blind signing right here. This isn't a trusted asset, basically, is what they're saying here. So you got to say, okay, and then you can actually go and purchase it. So very similar thing here. It doesn't change across the board. So it's just basically saying that it's not on an exchange. It's not anything. You're taking a risk by doing it. That's what it comes down to. And you are taking a risk by doing that. Coinbase won't send XRP to PureWallet. Yeah, try not to send anything to the PureWallet. The PureWallet's not actually up and running yet, dude. It hasn't hit mainnet. Mainnet starts on Monday, and at that point, you'll be able to do those things. And again, if you're going to mess around with stuff, just send small amounts. Yeah, Dix is still here, dude. Yeah. We haven't gone in a while because I got really sick off of, dude, I don't even want to say it, but I got sick off of their burgers, and it was really, really bad. What are taxes? Yeah, right. Did you get your PureWallet token, and what do you think? I know it's different area than what you're invested in. Yeah, I bought the PureWallet token. I'm going to probably go buy some here more on Sunday before I'm going to allocate some funds towards buying some more come on Sunday. So fantasy football, hell yeah, dude. Like it becoming $5,000 to $1,000 day dream. Yeah, big time. I'm in Tucson, Arizona. Nice, dude. Tucson's nice, bro. You're from the Central District in Seattle. Nice, dude. Awesome. Dumb question. I think Solana does over 500 to 600. What's your bonk prediction? Dude, that's a tough one, man. Bonk's a hard one because it's just emotional trading, dude. So I don't know. DeFi, I can't do that. That'd be unfair. I don't know. If you buy it, just accept the risk, right? James. I got sick a few days ago from a bad pork. Oh, dude, that's rough. Should I degen 5K into XRP tonight before the release tomorrow? I don't know. I degened 10K at this dip right here. You can still see my line. That's my buy line right there. Perfect buy. So we'll see what happens if this can continue to rally back up right here. We might get snow soon. Yeah, I saw that. Did you win your league? No, I took fourth, bro. I took fourth. It was in a paid league too. I thought I was in second place the whole year, and then I ended up taking fourth, dude. I was disappointed. Thanks for the info. I'm going to buy the PureWallet token now. All right, Jacob. Yeah, dude, definitely. And if you need anything, let me know, dude. And definitely get over to Discord if you can. Connect your Discord if you have any questions. Jump over there. We usually talk about it a lot over there as well. I'm super late, just back from work. What's up, Martin? I hope everyone is having a great night. Yeah, so far so good, bro. Appreciate you being here, dude. Did you buy the fantasy with crypto? I did run a fantasy league on the A-team, an A-team fantasy league a couple years ago. And where is what's his name? Cornish what is it? Cornish Crypto, dude. Where's Cornish Crypto at? Cornish Crypto actually won it back in 2020. Was it 2022? Yeah. We ended up paying what I think it was like I think I ended up doing like $100 or $200 buy-in or something like that. And yeah, it was pretty cool. Who was my first round pick? That's a good question, dude. Who was my first round pick? I can actually go back and look probably. Let's see. I want to say maybe it was like Jamar Chase. He killed it this year too. So let's see here. I'll tell you right now. If it lets me get in there. Anyone ever look? Okay, here we go. Yeah, it was Jamar Chase. Anyone ever look into Hashi? Yeah, Cornish, another OG. Yeah, what happened to Cornish? It's an exchange and wallet. It sucks. What are you talking about, Logan? Yeah, he was from the UK. He never played fantasy football before ever. He's a big, he's big into like football, like soccer, and he never played before. And he came out and he crushed us all, dude. He killed us all. Not gold or silver. Time for bed. Got to do that 4:30. All right, James, take it easy, buddy. You got to get 4:30. Gosh, dang, bro. You drive for Uber? Okay, man. Drive safe, please, man, and have a great night. And I'll see you tomorrow, dude. Yeah. Anti-Rock, what's up, buddy? Anti-Rock's an OG too. What's up, Anti-Rock? Good to see you, buddy. I bought a few thousand of XRP recently because of all the hype. I'm just trust of the vets. Yeah, sometimes you got to be careful, right? Yeah, Anti-Rock's an OG for sure, dude. No more soccer questions. All right, Caesar, take it easy, man. Appreciate the donation to the channel too. Man, I wish Ledger had H-bar to sell and convert. Yeah, well, it does have it. Spent 1K on Trump because he posted on Truth about it. Did you? Are you up or down, Kira? I appreciate that. I appreciate that, Martin. Go to bed, dude. Or who knows? Was it not you, Martin? James needs to go to bed. I forgot that. I was James. I was like Martin. No, James. Yeah, appreciate that, Martin. Thanks so much, man. A physical gold is a long term. Yeah, definitely. You have to move it back to an exchange and then move it back to sell and buy back. You could do that if you wanted to, do it. Gone to ACH without an exit, started just riding the wave, already 2x. Hell yeah, dude. Jackson, that's amazing, man. Congrats to you, bro. Yeah, that conversion zone down the channel across the canal be wild. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Bro, do you think XRP can reach 700 at some point? I mean, that's so far beyond, you know what I mean? That's not even in my realm of possibility at this moment. But I mean, if it does, that would be an insane ride. Hey, California XRP, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Oh, you must be you talking about Jeremy? Van, are you talking about Jeremy? Warsaw, what's up, buddy? So far, I made best bank when I do the opposite of the YouTubers say. When I said that we'd hit 250, you said it would be a black swan deal. Watch $2 coming in two dirty big wall manipulations. What's up, Warsaw? Are you talking about XRP, bro? Yeah, I'll probably go out. I'm about to reach out to her. I think they're gonna have like a little thing. I think for Jeremy, they're gonna have like a something they're gonna have. I don't know exactly when, so I'll have to reach out to her sometime in the springtime. All right, Warsaw. All right. Silver has formed. Warsaw, usually all the YouTubers promote the coin, so you buy at the high, it'll dump. Austin channel is complete flip and actually gives honest clarity. Yeah, Warsaw's pretty good. He's it's pretty good to he gives me some pretty good things to think about. That's for sure. Yeah, Warsaw, you'd be proud, man. You'd be proud though, dude. I bought this. I bought this. I called this nice little dip here and hit, dude. It hit like almost dead on, dude. I said 3.0009 and it hit 3.0006. And then we bounced up on a nice little swing trade right here. So yeah, we have a nice little swing trade coming in here. And I hope this continues to rise up, back up here and probably sell by tomorrow or something like that. That's kind of the goal. Super proud of that. You Washingtonians, you have a big blizzard coming. Enjoy it. Yeah, I saw that we're going to have something coming, dude. I know we have something big coming here. Litecoin got an ETF. They applied for the ETF, Kira. So yeah, we'll see how it works out. These ETFs hit, we're gonna be rolling, dude. If the ETFs hit, it's game on, dude. You Washingtonians, you have a big blizzard. Yeah, I said that. I'm struggling to understand what utility the Trump money. They don't have any utility. They're just straight memes, dude. I'm grateful to be watching your live stream right now. I don't know what to stay up. I don't have to stay up late. It's afternoon here in my country. Oh, Bree, that's awesome. Oh, we asked, but I don't know if she wants to give her personal name out. She wants her. Yeah, she's been really cautious with that for sure. Yeah. But yeah, we're going to continue to ride this out. It's starting to climb back up here now. You can sort of see over here the last hour, starting to climb back up. We had this nice little dip. After we did the little fair value gap here, we went up to about 307 and then came back down. And so we're going to ride this back up. But yeah, would be cool to wake up to snow. I don't know. Why isn't XRP on the World Liberty token? That's a good question. I don't know. Coinbase is legit. I effed up one time and they actually gave me my money even though it was my fault. Oh, really? That's pretty cool, dude. Oh, I'm definitely louder. Fan can't sit by me. She tells me to walk away. She tells me I can't stand by her or sit by her. Yeah, dude, I have a really bad. I'm not loud. No, I'm not loud. I just cheer for them and then I talk crap. I talk crap about the refs and stuff. I'm really bad about that. What's the best way to sell and buy back? For example, H bar gets a 2. I sell and hold for a drop. Yeah, that's the best way to do it, Brandon. Chick today said she doesn't eat eggs because it's just a chicken's. Oh my god, dude. I don't know, man. We'll see. I think crypto actually might do well. Fans get mad at the sound of your chewing. That's funny. Is H bar undervalued? Yeah, I think it is. I personally think it is. I think H bar is undervalued for sure. I really like H bar. So as you guys know, I mean, I put a pretty big hefty swing trade in on that. Yeah, Austin did graduate Shiitake University. Yeah, I can hold my own in the talking realm. That's for sure. Try not to, but ACH is parabolic. It's still going crazy right now. Let's take a look. Yeah, dude, it's still going up. Damn. 56, 5 cents, almost 6 cents. Yeah, it's going crazy. Yeah, it's doing well, dude. Up 170, up 171% if you bought on last Sunday, almost a week ago. Will you start posting your trades in Discord? I definitely posted this trade. Well, I did this trade today with XRP. I did this trade live on the channel, and then I did screenshot it and posted it in Discord. Yeah. So sometimes it'll take me a couple days before I jump into a trade just so I can make sure my stuff aligns before I do it. But yeah, this was one of those times where I felt like that was going to be like a nice little area. So that's kind of where we jumped in. H bar, my biggest bag, then XLM followed by XRP. Okay. All right, Adam, take it easy, buddy. Have a good night, man. Will XDC include, is it no tax for crypto coins? It's going to be, yeah, that'd be nice if they include XDC. Any crypto, right, would be nice. Man, I have to leave the chat now. I hope some reffing stop yelling at the refs. No, I don't yell at them. I talk crap under my breath, and it makes Fan mad. I don't actually yell at them. I don't say anything. I just will say like, "Oh wow, now the whistle works," or something like that. I'll talk crap like that, not to them. It would be like mostly to Fan and then the parents around me. That's what she gets mad about. I'm not like yelling at the ref. I'm just like I'll talk crap like amongst the parents that are right there. So I should buy another 1K now. Yeah. But all right, guys, I'm gonna actually hop off here. We've been on here for about 2 hours and 15 minutes. I gotta go drink some. I gotta some water. I'm water up here, so I gotta get some water. And I'll be back on tomorrow morning, dude. 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I hope you guys are all here for it. We're gonna definitely talk more about crypto. We're gonna see the impacts of the 1 billion release out there. We're gonna continue to monitor XRP throughout the night as we have a nice little swing trade in there. Like I said, I appreciate everyone coming here and kicking it with me on this Friday night. Hope you guys all have a fantastic rest of your evening or morning or wherever you're at. Again, just appreciate you guys showing up and showing out. And thank you so much for all the donations to the channel, all the new memberships and everything like that. If you guys are a new member, definitely go join that Discord. Definitely get in there. We talk about a lot of things over there. It's been great. And yeah, like I said, appreciate each and every one of you guys. And hope you guys have a fantastic night. So with all that, love you guys. We're out. Make sure you guys throw some dudes up in the chat here. It is a late night stream. Show me those dudes in the chat. With all that, we're out. Peace out, everyone.